Welcome to Digital Marketing Training Session. My name is Sheikh Arif. I'm excited to be here to share my knowledge and experience with all of you. Overall, I have 9 years of experience in digital marketing industry. I've had the opportunity to work with the businesses of all sizes and industries, helping them to achieve their goals through strategic and effective digital marketing techniques. So today, hello everyone. Welcome to Digital Marketing Training Session. My name is Sheikh Arif. I'm excited to be here to share my knowledge and experience with all of you. Overall, I have 9 years of experience in digital marketing industry. I've had the opportunity to work with the businesses of all sizes and industries, helping them to achieve their goals through strategic and effective digital marketing techniques. So today, I'll be covering some of the most important aspects of the digital marketing, including SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and many more. I hope that by the end of the session, you will feel empowered to take your digital marketing efforts to the next level. So let's get started. Okay. So now we can see the index. Here, what are the topics we are going to discuss in this digital marketing session? So I have written it here. You can go through it once. So the first topic will be introduction, which we'll be discussing in this session. And then second is keyword planning. We have a part 1 and part 2 part. And then here we have a third one, like SEO on-page optimization. It's completely like technical SEO. And then off-page optimization, backlink building. And then when it comes to social media marketing, we have a Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, Pinterest, email marketing. And then so basically in this like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, Pinterest. So we'll be discussing about like how to run the ads, and then how to create a campaigns, how to create a business accounts, all these things we'll be discussing. Okay. And then email marketing as well. Basically like to send emails to their customers, we'll be using. Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Marketing Training Session. My name is Sheikh Arif. I'm excited to be here to share my knowledge and experience with all of you. Overall, I have 9 years of experience in digital marketing industry. I've had the opportunity to work with the businesses of all sizes and industries, helping them to achieve their goals through strategic and effective digital marketing techniques. So today, I'll be covering some of the most important aspects of the digital marketing, including SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and many more. I hope that by the end of the session, you will feel empowered to take your digital marketing efforts to the next level. So let's get started. Okay. So now we can see the index. Here, what are the topics we are going to discuss in this digital marketing session? So I have written it here. You can go through it once. So the first topic will be introduction, which we'll be discussing in this session. And then second is keyword planning. We have a part 1 and part 2 part. And then here we have a third one, like SEO on-page optimization. It's completely like technical SEO. And then off-page optimization, backlink building. And then when it comes to social media marketing, we have a Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, Pinterest, email marketing. And then so basically in this like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, Pinterest. So we'll be discussing about like how to run the ads, and then how to create a campaigns, how to create a business accounts, all these things we'll be discussing. Okay. And then email marketing as well. Basically, like to send emails to their customers, we'll be using a like Gmail, okay. But when it comes to like real time, so you can't send a 10,000 emails or 20,000 emails to the customers, okay. So we can use a tools as well now in this digital marketing. And then content marketing also is there. And then like here we have a reporting tools also is there, like Google Search Console reporting tool, and then Google Analytics tool as well. And then we have a Google Tag Manager also, and then Bing Webmaster Tools. And then SMS, like SMS marketing and WhatsApp marketing also we'll be discussing in this session. And then ORM also is there, online reputation management. And then Canva, which will be designing for graphics, graphic images, which we can post it in social media. And then video editing part, we can edit the videos by using the Filmora tool. Okay. And then we have a competitor analysis also. And then we have a SEO tools, and then audit reporting. And then when it comes to the last topic, that is AdWords, which is like PPC introduction we'll be discussing. And then account setup, search ads, display ads, mobile ads, YouTube ads, and shopping ads. Okay. Now, what is digital marketing? Okay, I'll tell you a simple answer for digital marketing. Okay. So if you take any product or a services to promote online is called as a digital marketing. Okay. So here digital marketing is a type of a marketing that involves promoting product or a services through digital channels. As I told you, no? So we have a digital channel. Which are the digital channels? Like search engines is there. Example, we have a Google, Bing. Bing is also a search engine. Yahoo also is a search engine. Yandex, Baidu. Okay, these are the search engines we have. So you just will go to the search engines, they'll find for the information. And we have a social media. So when it comes to social media, so we have like a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So all these platforms available in this social media. And then email marketing also, and then mobile apps, and then websites also. So digital marketing strategies are designed to reach target audience on their preferred online platforms and channels, and to engage them in ways that are meaningful and relevant to their interest. So mainly, if you go for a digital marketing, what will happen? We can reach to the target audience only. Example, so if I'm using a Samsung mobile phone, okay. So a Samsung business owner, what they will do is, if any upgradation of the mobile, new mobile, okay, they'll be sending updates to me saying that a new mobile has been launched. If you want, you can upgrade. So I can, like they'll be reaching to me directly like this. So one more here we have a digital marketing encompasses a wide range of tactics and techniques, including search engine optimization and then search engine marketing. Okay. So basically here optimizing your website and online content for search engines to improve your visibility in search engine results page. So basically in the search engine optimization, what we'll do is, so we'll be optimizing our website. Okay. We have to add the content for the search engines. As I told you, like search engines, we have like Google, Bing, Yahoo. For them only, like we are be adding the content, okay, to improve the visibility in search engine, so that we can come up in the Google search engine results page. So users will click on that and they'll come to the website. Social media marketing. So using platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube to promote your brands and product or services to the target audience. If you want to target to the person, right person, so you can target it. Let's example, if I'm running any laptop, if any like laptop business, okay. So what I'll do is, if I want to sell these laptops to the software engineers, I can target directly to them by using the digital marketing technique. Okay. And then content marketing. So creating and sharing valuable content like blog posts, infographics, videos, and ebooks to attract and engage your target audience. Okay. So content also we have to do the marketing. Okay. Like how will you do? So we have to write a blog post. We have to write an articles. Okay. And then we have to do the infographics also, videos also, and then ebooks also we have to write it, so that they can attract it, and they can come and buy the product or services. Okay. And then email marketing. So using emails to send newsletters, promotional offers, and other relevant information to your subscribers. So basically, if you open your Gmail, okay, so there you'll be seeing like ICICI promotionals, and then any government sites from the promotionals you'll be seeing it, or any private sectors promotionals they'll be sending like offers, Diwali offers, and then monthly they'll be sending offers. Okay. Mainly for the bank people, what they'll be sending the offer messages to us in the mail, so that customers they can come back it. Okay. And then not only that, like one more example, like in your website landing page, you will be having a form, right? So in that form, what we'll do is like if you're giving any ebooks or something free, okay, so you can collect the email address from there, and you can send a mail to them by using that email. By using that email, you can again send a mail to them saying that like take out your product or services. That thing also we can do it. And then we have a mobile marketing. So targeting consumers on their mobile devices through SMS, mobile apps, push notifications, and location based marketing. So when it comes to mobile marketing, like we have a example like Domino's app also is there. Okay, so every Wednesday, so we'll get an update saying that like buy one get one pizza free, something like that. Okay, and then messages also will be getting it. Pay per click is there. So paying to place ads on the search engines and social media platforms to reach your target audience. Okay. Digital marketing allows businesses to target specific audience based on demographics, interest. When I say demographics, we have like age, gender, okay, all these things comes under demographics. And then interest. Let's say example, your customer, okay, mainly like if he is interested in which one, like either he is visiting regularly to the malls, either he is visiting regularly to the like any shopping complexes, okay. So like that interest also we need to find it out at. Regularly he'll be visiting to the hotels, so we need to find out the interest and behavior pattern. It also provides more precise tracking and measuring of results than traditional marketing methods, so allowing business to optimize their campaigns for better performance. So as I told you, like we have a traditional marketing also, okay. Basically digital marketing also is there, traditional marketing also is there. Okay, so now you can see the example here. We have an image here. Okay, so when it comes to digital marketing, we use all the platforms like social media marketing, search engines, okay, where you can run the ads. Okay, when it comes to traditional, you can see here newspaper is there, TV ads is there, okay, and then billboards also is there. Okay, now we'll see here like digital marketing examples also. Okay, so digital marketing is a modern method of marketing product or services using digital channels. So it's achieved through digital technologies, predominantly through the internet, but also including mobile phones, display advertisement, and any other digital medium. Okay, now you can see the example also here. We have a search engine optimization. So again, a strategy to increase a website ranking and search engine results. Okay, so the process of like getting results into the Google actually. Okay, that we call it as a SEO. So enhancing its visibility and organic non-paid traffic. So again, we have a content marketing. The content and sharing of online content like blog posts, videos, and social media posts. So it's not explicitly promotional, but it is designed to generate interest in a product or a services. Okay, we have to share our content in the platforms like blog post we have to write it, videos also we have to post it, so people will be aware of it. Okay, social media marketing involves promoting content and interacting with customers on social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all. Okay, so mainly users will like a content, right? So we have to give an attractive content, then definitely they're gonna like your page, like your they'll comment you, they'll share the video also. And then email marketing, sending direct emails to individuals who have shown interest in your business or a product, or even to current customers to maintain or enhance relationships. The last one is PPC, I told you. So an online advertising model where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is being clicked. So Google Ads is one of the most common PPC platforms. So we'll use the topic also in the last sessions. Okay, when it comes to traditional marketing, so traditional marketing refers to any type of marketing that is not digital. You can see the difference here. So this is a digital, this is not digital. Okay, so it includes like tactics and strategies that have been used for decades. Okay, what are the examples? We have a print. So this includes advertisement in newspapers, magazines, and other printed materials. Okay, example like pamphlets, I can say pamphlet distribution, they'll be doing it. That we call it as a traditional marketing only. Broadcast. So this category includes both TV and radio. But also one, like when you're traveling in like cities and all mainly. Okay, so like you'll be hearing that FM. Okay, that is also a traditional marketing. And then direct mail. So this comprises postcards, brochures, catalogs, and letters that are mailed directly to the customers. Okay. And then outbound calling is there. This includes telemarketing effects also. Traditional in the like telecalling, it comes under traditional also. Outbound advertising. This involves the use of billboards, signs, and other type of placards. Okay, so basically, like we have billboards. When I say, like when you're traveling highways and all, there will be big banners and all. Okay, that we call it as a traditional marketing. Billboards we call it as. And then more examples we'll see here. Examples of digital marketing versus traditional marketing. Okay, so digital marketing and traditional marketing have the same objectives only, to promote a business and its product or services, but they use different channels and methods. So here are the differences summarized and illustrated with examples. Now, if you see here, we have a attribute digital marketing, traditional marketing. Let's take out a channel here. So digital marketing uses channels such as social media, websites, email, YouTube, etc. Whereas in traditional marketing, they use a newspapers, radio, TV, billboards, and etc. So measurability. So how it will be measuring? So digital marketing allows real-time tracking of campaign performance through analytics tools. Okay. Whereas in traditional marketing, measuring performance in traditional marketing is often harder and takes more time. Okay. Let me tell you one example. Okay. So, like if you're distributing a pamphlet to any one person, okay, even you can't remember his face, okay. Let's example, you have distributed 1,000 template. I mean, like these pamphlets. So in that you can't remember their face, even that you can't remember like exactly how many people they have taken the pamphlet, and that too like in that also you can't measure the demographics also, like how many people, male people you have given, or to how many female people you have given. So all these things you can't measure in the traditional marketing. Okay, measurability. So updates is there. So digital marketing campaigns can be updated, adjusted, or passed at any time based on the real-time data. Whereas in traditional marketing, it's difficult to make chances in traditional marketing once a campaign is being launched. Example, when you started distributing a template, you can't stop it, right? You have to distribute at any cost. You can't do any changes. Even though when you start printing the pamphlet, okay, the changes you can't do again, no. You can't go to the printer guy and tell them to do the changes. No? So they can't do it, correct? But when it's come to digital marketing, happily you can pause the campaign, you can edit the campaign, whatever you want, you can add it. When it comes to targeting, digital marketing allows precise targeting based on the various factors like age, location, interest, behavior, etc. Whereas in traditional, so usually targets a broad audience. Okay, so here we can't see the difference is mainly, like when it comes to traditional, so we'll be targeting broadly only. Example, so maybe like we'll be seeing the TVs, right? Television. So in that like ads will be showing up. In that like Coca-Cola ad will come up, Domino's ad will come up, jewelry ads also will come up. Okay, so example, we'll talk about jewelry. Okay, so jewelry ad, they'll be showing the ad to everyone. Okay, in that like they can't track like how many people have seen it, how many people came to the shop and they have bought it. Okay, these things we can't track it. That is the difference. Okay, whereas in digital marketing, if any user is searching for like buy jewelries online, okay, in that like website will come up. So user will log into the website, he'll open it, so he'll see the product. If he likes it, he'll gonna buy it. So that is the example. And then reach. Digital marketing has a global reach. Okay, so whereas the traditional marketing often has a limited reach, local, regional, national. So let me tell you an example. Okay, let's take out a pamphlet. Okay, so one way like we are creating a pamphlet here. Same design in the digital marketing. So that means like same design. So what I'll do is I'll be creating a banner in the some Canva template, and I have started the running the ads in digital marketing. Example, I have started the Facebook ads. Okay. When it comes to traditional, I have told another guy to distribute the pamphlets. Okay. So he started distributing the pamphlets. So here, what I have done is, so I have targeted to example, let's take out Pune, Chennai, and then Bangalore. So in these cities, I have targeted it. So I told this guy to distribute in Bangalore. Okay. So it's very difficult to travel from one place to another place. Okay. So here, what we have done is, so the same ad we have shown to Bangalore, Chennai, Pune. But here, if I tell him to travel to Chennai, will he travel? If I tell him to travel to Bangalore, if I tell him to travel to Pune, will he travel? So he can't travel, right? Okay. So digital marketing will act as a major role here. Okay. So this is a difference actually. So the same pamphlet, if you want to distribute in Pune, Chennai and all, happily you can use this digital marketing technique. We can show them. Cost. So digital marketing can be more cost effectiveness, allowing even small businesses to run effective campaigns. Whereas in traditional marketing can be expensive due to the cost of material distribution and media time space. Okay, so here the difference, if you can only see it. Okay, the cost which you are giving to the printer guy, okay, to print all the any like business cards or any other things, okay, like pamphlets and all. Example, like you have given him a 10,000 to 20,000, assume that, okay. So the same amount, if you keep it in digital marketing, happily can run ads, okay, more than 1 week also you can run it with that budget. 1 week, 2 weeks also you can run it. So examples also you'll see here, okay. So digital marketing, a company example, let's say a company using a Facebook ads to target users interested in skin products. So based on their online behavior and preferences, the campaign performance can be tracked and adjusted in real time based on the engagements, rates, and conversions. Okay, so this you can see it here. We can adjust the campaign. We can adjust the real time engagements also. We can track it. That means like how many people has clicked on that ad, how many people has commented on that, how many people has shared that ad, that we can see it in the digital marketing. Whereas in traditional marketing, a skincare company airing a commercial on TV network during a popular TV show. The commercial targets a broad audience as it reaches everyone watching the show, and the campaign performance will be harder to measure quickly. I have told you, no, like if you're running the ad in TV, you can't track it. Okay, so analytics also we can track it, like how many people have seen the television, and then here also if you take FM, how many people have seen, even though when it comes to newspaper, like how many people have seen the ad, that also you can't track it. That is the difference. So key components of digital marketing. Okay, now if you see here the left hand side image, if you observe it here, let's say assume that I have opened a Google. Okay, so in the Google, like if I'm typing any keyword, okay, example, I've typed like best digital marketing training institutes in Chennai or Bangalore or Pune. Okay, so when you're typing that keyword, okay, immediately you'll be seeing that ads here, sponsored ads. Okay, the first 4 rows will be showing you the sponsored ads. The next, it will be showing you Google Maps. After that, the next, it will be showing you a PP, this one, people ask also. After that, it will be showing you organic results. Okay. So the results which you see here, organic, no, it's completely natural results. So where it comes in the first position, they have done a proper SEO. That is. So ads which you will be seeing it, no, that ads will be doing in the SEO AdWords tool. Okay. So if you see here, PPC advertising involves placing targets ads on the search engines. Okay. Which other search engines we have? Google, Bing, Yahoo, correct? And other platforms as well. That means like who has partnered with Google's also. In the there also ad will show up. Advertisers only pay when a user clicks on their ad, making it a cost-effective way to drive traffic to generate leads. Okay, and then search engine optimization. SEO focus on improving a website visibility in search engine results page. See, mainly like SEO, what they'll do is, like they have to bring their website into the first place. That is their target actually. By optimizing website content, keywords, and technical elements, businesses can increase organic, non-paid traffic to their website. Okay, without paying a single rupee to anyone or any other tool. So we'll be driving our website traffic to the Google natural results. We got as the organic results also. And then one more way, we have a social media marketing. So this involves using a social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other promote product or services, engage with your audience and build brand awareness. Okay, if you want to build brand your brand awareness, so how will you be doing? You have to run the ads and you have to post something in social media weekly, at least 4 or 5 posts you have to do it. Okay, then all the platforms, then only users will get to know like you are providing services. Okay, this is the one way we can bring our customers. And then content marketing. So content marketing focus on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a targeted audience. It includes blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and more. Mainly content marketing focus on creating and distributing valuable content. That would be relevant content should be required. Okay, so how we'll be promoting it? So you have to work on like blog posts, articles, videos, then only this will come up. Third thing is like email. So email marketing involves sending targeted emails to a group of individuals so who have opted in receiving communications from a businesses. So it can be used for nurturing leads, promoting products, providing updates, and build customer relationships. So mainly like in our email marketing, what you have to do is you have to collect the emails. Okay. Once you collect the emails from the customers, you have to start sending promotional emails to them. That's it. Then influencer marketing. So influencer marketing leverages the popularity and influence of individuals with large following on social media platforms. See, influence example I can say like TikTok. So who has a good followers, no? So we can also contact them to tell them to promote a product or services so that they'll take some lump sum amount and then they'll promote it. Okay, and then here we have a businesses collaborated with the influencers to raise their audience and build credibility. Example, like if any movie is going to start, okay, for the movie promotions, what influencers they'll do is they'll take some amount from the movie team and then they'll start promoting it. That also is happening today's generation. Okay, the last thing is like analytics and reporting. So digital marketing allows for detailed tracking and analysis of campaigns through various tools. Okay, so businesses can measure key performance indicator that we call it as a KPI, such as website traffic, conversion rates, return on investment, to evaluate the success of their marketing efforts. See, like when it comes to digital marketing, we can track everything. I have told you, so we can use a Google Analytics tool. So we can track like how many visitors are coming to the site, how in which page they have landed it, and then what activities they are doing it. All these things we can track it by using the analytics tools. And then marketing techniques. So in the marketing, we have two types of a marketing: outbound marketing and inbound marketing. Okay, so these are the two distinct approaches to promote a product or a services, while they are not directly related to SEO. So they both play a role in generating traffic and attracting potential customers to their website. So if you see here, example, so this is the inbound marketing, this is the outbound marketing. Okay. Now in the outbound marketing, so this is a form of a marketing involves pushing your messages out to broad audience. So I've told you, like when it comes to outbound marketing, so there will be a broad audience only. Okay, typically through traditional advertising channels like TV, radio, print, ads, cold calling, direct mail. Okay, these are the things. So in the context of digital marketing, outbound strategies can include display ads, pop-ups, and unsolicited emails. So the main goal of outbound marketing is to create awareness and persuade potential customers to take action, often by interrupting their usual activities. However, this approach can be perceived and intrusive and less targeted, leading to lower conversion rates. So when it comes to inbound marketing focus on attracting customers to your brand by providing valuable content and experiences tailored to their needs and interest. So this approach aims to build trust and credibility over time. So ultimately encouraging potential customers to seek out your brand when they have a need for your product or service. In digital marketing context, in inbound marketing, okay, like SEO, content marketing, then social media marketing, email marketing. Okay, then by optimizing your website and creating high quality engaging content. The same thing we have seen it example. Okay. So you can improve your search engine rankings, drive organic traffic, and attract users who are actively searching for information related to your industry or offerings. Okay. So in the summary, if you see here, while SEO is a key component of digital inbound marketing, it doesn't directly related to outbound marketing. Both inbound and outbound marketing strategies can be used in conjunction to create a comprehensive marketing plan that caters to different audience segments and maximize overall reach and conversions. So examples we'll see here. Okay, the same examples only, no big difference here. Content marketing is there. Okay, and then we have a social media marketing. See, when it comes to content marketing, so creating valuable and informative blog post, articles, infographics, podcast, okay, that address your audience needs and interest, okay. And then social media marketing, what you have to do is like sharing engaging content and interacting with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Email marketing, sending targeted emails, campaigns to subscribers, okay, and build customers loyalty. And then webinars and online workshops also we have. Hosting educational events to share your expertise and attract potential customers interested in your industry or offerings. Whereas in outbound marketing examples, we have a display advertisement, paid search advertisement, social media advertisement, sponsored content. Okay, like this. So combining both inbound and outbound marketing strategies can help you create a well-rounded digital marketing plan that caters to different audience segments and maximizes overall reach and conversions. See, we can use a traditional marketing also. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, in some cases we have to use it. So what are the 4 C's and 4 P's of digital marketing? Okay, so the 4 C's focus on customers centric approach, while the 4 P's emphasize the traditional marketing mix. So both frameworks can be applied in context of digital marketing to ensure a comprehensive and well-rounded strategy. So what are the 4 C's? We have a customer, content, context, connection. So customer. So understand your target audience, demographics, preferences, pain points, and then motivations to develop tailored marketing campaigns that resonate with them. Then content. So create high quality, informative, and relevant content that addresses your customers' needs and provide valuable across various digital channels. That is the content. Context. So deliver the right content at the right time on the right platform by understanding your customers' online behavior. So based on that behavior only, we have to deliver the content. And then channel preferences and then stage in the buyer's journey. Example, I'll tell you, okay. Now, let's example, Deepavali is coming, if example, okay. If you're giving some kind of a service like Deepavali offer, buy one, get one free. So something kind of offer, that will be good for them, okay, to buy it. Connection. Engaging with your audiences through social media, email, other digital channels to build strong connections, foster brand loyalty, and encourage advocacy. 4 P's, product, price, place, promotion. So product, develop and refine your product or services offering based on the market research. Okay, if you're launching any product, okay, we have to do a market research, like how much the price cost. So, and then you have to do the competitive analysis also. And then customer needs also, we need to check it, whether they'll be using this product or not. Okay, so in this digital landscape, this can also include aspects like user experience, design, website functionality, and then mobile app features. Okay, when you're, let's example, we have a big basket or like Swiggy mobile applications, right? Okay, if user experience is not good, okay, so your customers gonna face difficulties, they'll be using the app. Okay, when you are launching any product, if you're getting a good customers, make sure the product's visibility is good. Okay. There will be no issues. Okay, and then price, determine the appropriate pricing strategy for your product or services, taking into account factors such as perceived value, competition, cost structure, and target audience. Okay, online pricing strategies can include discounts, bundles, subscription models, or dynamic pricing. Pricing also you can check with your competitors how much they are providing. Based on that, you can also give some discount, so customers gonna come and take your service. Place. Choose the right digital channels and platforms to distribute your product or services effectively. So this can involve selecting appropriate e-commerce platforms, online marketing marketplaces, or leveraging search engines and social media to drive traffic to your website. Okay, so when you're launching any business, okay, so make sure location also should location also will be keep in mind. Okay, so as an example, okay, I'm running a bakery. Okay, so I'll be delivering within 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers. You have to check the nearby locations also, in which locations you are going to deliver it. That too, cake should be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, place also important, like if you are providing services, let's say example, a Bangalore you will take.
Okay, in Bangalore we have a like BTM layout and then Marthahalli. Okay, so from here to BTM layout or Marthahalli or like Hebbal, if you want to travel it, okay, so it takes a lot of time, like hardly 1 or 2 hours. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, when you're delivering the cake, so you have mentioned the website like 20 minutes will be delivering it. If you're not delivering within 20 minutes, what will happen? The customer will be not being satisfied, no? Okay, so that is the reason only. Okay, so when it comes to services, you can happily provide the services from different locations. So when you are starting any business, make sure to which locations you will be targeting. And then promotion, implement digital marketing tactics to raise awareness, generate interest, and drive sales to your product or services. This can include like SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, paid advertisement, influencer marketing, and many more. So by combining 4Ps and 4Cs of digital marketing, you can create a comprehensive strategy that focuses on both customer needs and the traditional marketing mix, ensuring a well-rounded approach to promoting your product or services in the digital landscape. There are three essential ingredients of digital marketing. One is the target, content, and then channels. So target audience. So identifying and understanding your target audience is crucial for creating an effective digital marketing strategy. So this involves researching their demographics. We have to do research, okay? Preferences, need, pain points, and online behavior. So by gaining insights into your audience, you can tailor your marketing efforts to resonate with them, ensuring maximum engagement and conversion. To define your target audience, how do you define it actually? So we have like factors like age, gender, location, occupation, income, education, and interest. So based on that, you can target your audience. So use tools like Google Analytics, social media analytics, and then customer services to gather data and refine your audience segmentation. Okay, and then content. So content is the backbone of digital marketing and plays a crucial role in attracting, engaging, and then converting your target audience. Okay, high quality, informative, and relevant content helps establish your brand as an industry expert, builds trust with your audience, and drives organic traffic to your website. See, without content, there will be nothing in your website. Okay, if you're not adding any content in your website, so how search engines will look into it, how users will look into it, correct? And then to create valuable content, focus on addressing your audience needs and providing solutions to their problems. When someone is looking out for some information, you provide the services. If you're into the same related business, okay, use various formats like blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, podcasts, and webinars to deliver your message effectively. So optimize your content for SEO to improve its visibility and reach. Channels, selecting the right channels, right digital channels and platforms is vital for reaching your target audience and achieving your market goals. Each channel has its unique advantage and audience preferences, so it's essential to choose those that align with your objectives and resonate with your audience. So some popular digital marketing channels include which one? Which are the channels? We have a social media marketing. Let's example. We have a Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Search engines, we have like Google, Bing, Yahoo, email marketing, content marketing, blogs, YouTube, podcast. Okay. Paid advertisement, Google ads, Facebook ads, influencer marketing. Okay. These are all the things. Let's discuss about the scope of digital marketing. So digital marketing has become an increasingly important aspect of modern businesses. Its scope encompasses various methods and platforms designed to achieve specific marketing goals such as brand awareness, customer engagement, and conversions. Now here we'll discuss some key points of digital marketing. So social media marketing is one. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter provide businesses with access to large audience. You can say broad audience also. By using this platform strategically, companies can connect with customers, promote brand recognition, and create engaging content. Okay. So search engine optimization. SEO involves promoting web content for search engines. Okay. And then which improves visibility and drive organic traffic. Companies can increase their chances of reaching potential customers by targeting specific keywords and enhancing website functionality. Okay, basically in the SEO, what we'll do is first we'll do a keyword research. Based on the keyword research only, we will be working on the content part. And then pay per click. So PPC refers to paid advertisement through platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, allowing businesses to create targeted campaigns that reach potential customers through carefully chosen keywords or audience segmentation. The last one is email marketing. So email marketing remains an effective method for business to maintain customer relationships, update subscribers on new products and promotions, and generate leads through targeted content. And then we have a content marketing as well. A well-planned content strategy supports other digital marketing efforts. By creating valuable, relevant, and consistent content, businesses can attract and engage their target audience. Without content, there is nothing. Okay. So ultimately resulting in customers acquisition and retention. See, if your content is good, they'll come to website again and they'll look into it. Mobile marketing. With the increased use of smartphones, focusing on mobile marketing is essential. Brands can optimize their websites, create mobile apps, or run SMS marketing campaigns to connect directly with users. So again, we have a influencer marketing. Brands collaborate with social media influencers whose values align with their theirs to reach a new audiences and generate positive brand associations. Analytics and data-driven strategies, tracking, analyzing, utilizing data is crucial for successful digital marketing efforts. Businesses can make data-driven decisions to improve their marketing campaigns and achieve better results. And then last one is like video marketing is there. With the surge in video content consumptions, brands invest in high-quality video marketing on platforms such as YouTube, IGTV, TikTok to engage their audience and increase brand recognition. So the scope of digital marketing is broad and consistently evolving. By staying current with emerging trends, business can leverage the power of digital marketing to reach and retain customers, drive sales, build brand loyalty. So how do you start a business online? First, choose your niche. Okay. So determine the industry or market you wanted to enter it. So consider your passions, skills, and the demand for product or services in that area. So basically, like when you started any business, okay. So let's example, we have a different industries, like hospitality industry, marketing industry, okay, and the real estate industry, education industry. So like this, okay, choose the issue which you want, and then conduct marketing research. Research your target audience, competitors, and market trends. So this will help you identify opportunities and potential challenges in your chosen niche. Okay, so you have to do a market research. Okay, create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive plan outlining your business goals, strategies, target audience, and budget. So this will serve as your roadmap to success. Choose a business name and register it. Okay, so when you are started any business, okay, choose a name. Okay, and you can register in GoDaddy, Namecheap, or some other websites. Okay, and you can register it. Obtain necessary permits and license. Okay, if you are running a food business, you have to take FSSAI license. For that, you have to approach and you have to take it license. Okay, depending on your location, the type of businesses, you may need to acquire specific permits and license to operate legally. Okay, if you're not starting with the license, it will be like illegal. Okay, so create a compelling website. Design a user-friendly and visually appealing website that showcases your product or services. Ensure that it's optimized for search engines and mobile devices. Create a compelling website. Design a user-friendly and visually appealing website that showcases your product or services. Ensure that it be optimized for search engines and mobile. Basically, like when you are designing a website, keep in your mind, so it should be a responsive design. Set up an e-commerce platform. Choose a reliable e-commerce platform to manage your online sales, payments, inventory. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and then BigCommerce. When it comes to e-commerce platforms, okay, develop a marketing strategy. Create a well-rounded marketing plan that includes SEO, content marketing, social media, email marketing, and paid advertisement to drive traffic and generate sales. Build an email list. Okay, so start collecting email addresses from potential customers and nurture relationships and promote your product or services. Monitor and analyze your progress. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance, customer behavior, sales. So this will help you to make data-driven decisions to grow business. So conclusion. So digital marketing has become an essential component of modern business strategies due to rapid growth and penetration of the internet and mobile devices. It allows businesses to reach a wider audience, engaging with the customers more effectively and track results in real time. See, digital marketing mainly we can track the data in real time. Okay. So digital marketing encompasses a wide range of strategies like strategies and tactics, including SEO, PPC, content marketing, social media marketing, and then email marketing. By leveraging these techniques, businesses can build brand awareness, generate leads, drive sales, foster long-term customer relationships. Okay. If you're doing all these things, okay, you can drive sales. You can generate the sales. Okay. You can get a leads as well. Okay. You can give that to the sales team and sales team will follow up it. They'll close the lead. So as technology continues to evolve, digital marketing will also adapt, presenting new opportunities and challenges for marketers. Staying up to date with industry trends and continuously honing one's skills is crucial for success in the dynamic field. Ultimately, digital marketing offers immense potential for businesses to grow and thrive in competitive online landscape. So that's all. Thank you for participating. Introduction session. Have a great day. Welcome to digital marketing training sessions. My name is Sheikh Arif. In this session, we'll learn about keyword planning. So what is keyword planning? So mainly, keyword planning is a process of researching, selecting, and organizing keywords or key phrases that are relevant to a particular business, website, or a content. So mainly, like where this keyword will come up. Okay, when you open Google, so you will type any keyword there. So based on that keyword, so results will be showing up, right? So sponsored results will be showing up, and then it will be showing like Google Maps also, and then people ask also it will be showing up, and then organic natural results will be showing up. Okay, so mainly we can use this keyword planning in our like ads as well, Google ads as well. We can use this keyword, and then mainly we can use it for like organic results as well. I mean like SEO we can use it. So here it is an important aspect of search engine optimization, SEO, that helps business target specific keywords or phrases to improve their visibility in search engine results page. So SEO apparatus. So mainly it is an important aspect of a SEO. So that help business. Like any, let's example, when you're typing any keyword like digital marketing training, it will show up only the digital marketing training related search results only. Okay, it will not show any other results. Okay, so whatever the keyword you are typing it, the same relevant results only it will be showing up here. The goal of keyword planning is to identify the most relevant and valuable keywords so that users are searching for, and then incorporate them into content and metadata of a website or other online platform. So mainly, so how these results are showing up in Google. Okay, see, whatever the keyword you are typing it, that keyword they'll be including in the website landing page content. So mainly where so in which all the places they'll be including that keyword. So mainly like title, description, and then H1 tag, and then and then content as well. Okay, so in these places you'll be adding the keyword, then only like when you type any keyword, based on that the relevant results will be showing up there. So and then here we have like this can help increase website traffic as well. So when you're adding all these things, it will help the website ranking. So and then you can improve like search rankings and ultimately drive more leads and sales for a business. Effective keyword planning involves using data-driven tools to identify high volume, low competition keywords that will attract the right audience to a website or a content. So mainly our target in our keyword planning is we have to do keyword research first before starting. Like when you're landed any page. Okay, so firstly you have to do the keyword research. Okay, so what keywords users are searching? So we can use the tools like SEMrush, Uber Suggest, any tool you can use it. Along with that, you can use a keyword planner as well. Okay, so first you have to check the how many users are searching for this keyword, I mean, like you have to search the search volume there. So based on the search volume, you have to filter the keywords, and we have to add it into that website landing page content. So objectives of keyword planning. So to improve search engine rankings, keyword planning helps business identify and target the most relevant and valuable keywords for their website or a content. So by optimizing their website and content for these keywords, business can improve their search engine rankings and increase their visibility in searching. So basically, like here, to improve the website ranking, what we'll do is we have to add our keywords into the website landing page content. Okay, that is the thing. And then to attract the right audience. How will you attract the right audience? So effective keyword planning helps business attract the right audience to their website by targeting keywords that relevant to their target market. So this can help increase conversions and drive more leads and sales. Okay. So main intention is, mainly when you type any keyword, most of the people, they'll click on ads only. The second 70% whatever is there, like they'll go for like organic results, nothing but SEO. Okay. So see, first of all, like mainly we have to find out our audience. Okay. So how will you find out? Okay, whatever the keywords they are typing it, that we need to find out. So how will you find out? So we have to find out through these tools. Okay, we have the tools, right? Like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest. Okay, in these all tools we have a keyword research section. So there we'll go and we have to find out the keywords. Okay, that will see in the next sessions. Okay. To increase the website traffic. So by targeting relevant and high volume keywords, so business can increase their organic website traffic. As I told you, like SEO, we can increase it if you find out the target relevant and high volume keywords. So this is because users are more likely to click on websites or content so that appear at the top of search engine results page, SERP you got it. So mainly, like to increase the website traffic, what we'll do is we have to target relevant and high volume keywords. Okay, that is very, very important. When you start doing the keyword research, okay, there you will be seeing the relevant keywords. Okay, so there will be having broad match, phrase match, exact match. Okay, and then you'll be having the intent also. So intent, like nothing but like we have like information, and then commercial, transactional. So based on that, so we have to do research. Okay, that we'll talk about in the next sessions. So businesses can increase their organic traffic. So as I told you, like mainly after researching of this keyword, so we can add it directly into our website. So again, we have to we have to add the sitemaps also. So after that, like we have to submit to Google Search Console tool. So then only website get crawled, and then it will be submitted to Google. Okay, then it will start showing in the search engine results page. That is the main concept. So to optimize the content for user intent. So keyword planning involves understanding user intent and creating content that satisfies that intent. So by targeting keywords that match user intent, business can create content that is more relevant and valuable to their target audience. So I have told you, like intent is very important here. Okay, to stay ahead of the competition. So keyword planning helps business identify gaps in the market and find opportunities to target keyword so that their competitors may have overlooked. So this can help them stay ahead of the competition and attract more visitors to their website or a content. And then here, how people find and come to your site. So, like we have a organic search, like it's example, when you type any keyword in Google, if you type any keyword in Google, so first you'll be seeing the paid results, nothing but sponsored links, ads you'll be seeing, right? I think 4 ads will be showing. So after that, like here we have a Google Maps also, it will show up. So after that, now people ask also, it will show up. After that, like organic results will be showing up now without any ads. So that we call it as a organic search, natural results, SEO results, we call it as. Okay. So here we have a like search engines like Google is search engine is there, Bing search engine is there, Yahoo search engine is there, Yandex search engine is there, Baidu, DuckDuckGo. See, for Baidu and all, we have to activate the VPN. Okay. So mainly like if you want to get the VPN, like we have a Opera. So you can go to Opera in the settings. We have a VPN, free VPN is there. You can enable that and we can start doing research. Okay. So that is the thing. And here we have a social media also. So how people will come to our site? Okay, so social media also is one of the important thing. Okay, so you'll be posting something in a social media. Let's example, you will be posting something and you have written some article over there, or like any content you have added, and you have given the website link. So from there, users will click on that and they'll come to your site. So, and the social media platforms we have like Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and then WhatsApp, YouTube, okay, Instagram. So in these platforms, users will come to our site. Okay, paid advertising. Paid advertising mainly like I have told here in this slide. So here, when you type any keyword here, paid results will be showing up, no, sponsored results. That is the thing. So users will click on that, they'll come to our site. And then referral traffic. So mainly referral traffic, how it works, like example, like we have a site. Okay, let's example, this is our site. Assume that this is our site. Okay, and this is like another site. Okay, so basically what will happen, like this site will refer to this site. So whenever user will come to this site, so this site people, they have added the link here. Okay, example, so user will click on that, he will come to that site also. That means this site is referring to this site. I mean, like site B is referring to site A. Assume that. So this is the site A and this is the site B. Again, I'm telling you. So this site is the B site. They're referring to site A. So here A site will get one backlink from the B site, like this. Referral. Direct traffic. They'll type the website link. They'll come to the site. That is a one way. And then email marketing. So email marketing is one of the effective way. Okay. So you'll be start sending the bulk emails to your customers. And then here we have a product discovery. The site where you perform searches. Search engines are like Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo. So these are the search engines we have. So in this search engines, we'll search out for some information. We'll type the keyword there. We'll search out for some information. Okay. And then the words you use it to search is keywords. Okay. And then the page that shows results is SERP. That we call it as a search engine results page. So the order of results is search ranking. So finding and targeting the right keyword. So ranking high in search results is important, but which keywords are important to you? So first what you have to do is you have to develop a keyword plan. And then here we have to identify audience need. First, mainly we have to identify the audience need. So what they're looking for. So second step is, so find the keywords, they use it to search. So these things we will be doing it in the tool itself. Okay. Okay. I mean, like SEMrush tool, we'll be using it example. So that we'll talk about in the next sessions. And then third thing is create content that targets the keyword. See this. So based on the keywords, what you have to do is we have to create the content. Nothing but in our landing page will be there, no? So based on that keyword, we have to create that content. Example, digital marketing will take out. Okay. So first I'll do one thing. I'll take out the keyword called digital marketing. Okay. So I'll find the keywords they use it to search, like what keywords they'll be using, like digital marketing training, digital marketing course, and then digital marketing jobs. So like this keywords will be there, like digital marketing institutes, like different keywords they'll be searching it, right? So based on that keywords, what I'll do is I'll create my landing page, website landing page. Whenever user searches for this, like digital marketing training in Bangalore or Chennai or Pune, so I'll click, user will search for that and they'll come to my site. Okay. I mean, like in Google, we have so many results, no? So we have to do like off page, on page techniques and all. Then only will come into the first place, Google search engine's first place. That is the main thing. So these three steps are very, very important. Okay. So identify audience need, we have to identify. Second is find the keywords they have to search. What are the keywords they're typing, that we need to find out. So create content that targets the keyword. So these three things are very, 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 very important. So head, body, and long tail keywords. So in our keywords, we have a head, body, and long tail keywords. So first what we'll do is like start with what your customer problem. So these are your head keywords, which usually include 1 or 2 words. So what are the words? So here, usually high competition will be there and high search volume also will be there. Okay. So example, like here example I have taken as wrinkles, phrase wrinkles is there. Okay. So example, let's example, if anyone has like wrinkles on face, if they're typing only wrinkles, okay. So if you're typing only wrinkles, like you'll be getting a lot of things like blog and all. Okay. but proper thing you will not get it. And then here we have a phrase wrinkles also. But so these keywords are, like competition will be very high. Okay, if you just type it in Google like wrinkles, so if you see this competition about results, like there will be so much competition. Okay, let's have a quick look here. Okay, now see in the about results, so how much competition is there? Okay, one more thing, space wrinkles. Now see here. So this is the head keyword, we call it as head keywords. Only one or two keywords only it will be there. Okay. And one more example here. We have a like shoes. So users will search like shoes, furniture, cars, jewelry, books. So these are all the head keywords. Okay. Example, if you use a typing like shoes, see here in the about results, how many, like how much competition is there here with only one head keyword. Now see this, if I'm typing shoes online, so how much competition is there? See, okay, that is the head keywords example. Now, second one. So convert problem statement into need. Okay, so here we have a first problem. Observe carefully. So here we have a first problem. What is the problem? Wrinkles on face. Okay, the head keywords will be using as wrinkles, face wrinkles. Okay, now what we are doing is that problem, we are converting problem into need. So how will you convert it? So here, these are your body keywords, which usually include 2 or 3 words. So usually medium competition and medium search volume will be there. So here the keywords, if you see, remove wrinkles, face, remove face, wrinkles. So that 2 keywords we have given here. So need. So if you're typing in Google like need to remove wrinkles from face, okay, so that won't give you proper solution. Okay. Now let's check out in the real-time example. Remove face wrinkles. So just they're telling like remove face wrinkles means you're just telling that Google to Google, you're telling like remove face wrinkles. Will Google remove it? No, right? So for that reason only. So here, if you ask like again, you are converting that problem statement into need. So how will you convert it? If you are just asking to Google, need to remove face wrinkles, will Google remove it again? Now, if you see here, we have a sponsored links. Like sponsored links also is showing up here for that keyword. Now, here you can see other examples also. Running shoes. I have typed in the first slide only running. Okay, I'm sorry, shoes. So here we have included the word called running shoes, modern furniture, user cars, homemade jewelry, fiction books, like this. Okay. Now the third one. Now what we'll do is here translate customer needs and problems into questionnaires. So again, I'm telling you the first one what you have done here. So here we have a problem. What is the problem? Wrinkles on face. That is one thing. The second one. So need to remove wrinkles from face. That is the second thing we have done it. And the keywords also, if you see remove wrinkles, remove face wrinkles. And the third one, if you see here we have a problem. Wrinkles on face is there. Need to remove wrinkles from face is there. Again, so what we are doing is we are translating customer needs and problems into questionnaires. Now see what we have done here. We have translated customer needs. The first one, first one problem is there in the head keyword. The second one in the second slide here, what it is saying here, convert problem statement into need. So need. And then third one, if you observe here, we are translating customer needs and problems into questionnaires. So mainly in our Google, long tail keyword works very well. Okay. The short tail keywords, what we can do is, like head and body keywords, that we can use it for AdWords. This is my suggestion. Okay. So mainly here, these are the good long tail keywords to investigate. Usually 4+ word phrases will be there. So usually low competition will be there and low search volume also will be there. Okay. See, finally, if you have a low search volume also, no need to worry. Okay. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to bring customers to the site. Okay. So then only users will look into it, our content, and then they'll take out our services. Okay. So here, if you see the other examples also, best running shoes for women, mid-century modern furniture for small spaces, used cars under 5,000. So handmade jewelry for special occasions, best fiction books of 2021. So here, example, if you see for wrinkles, okay. So here we have converted, I mean, like we have translated customer needs and problems into questions. So if you see, this is a problem, wrinkles on face, need to remove wrinkles from face, and these two we have converted into questionnaires. Now see if here, how do I get rid of wrinkles on my face? So best way to remove wrinkles on face. So how to remove wrinkles? That is the thing. And example, I'll give it for digital marketing. Okay. So mainly for digital marketing, user will search out in Google. Let's say if user wants to learn digital marketing, if you type like digital marketing only the keyword, what information is showing up? It's about digital marketing, meaning is showing up. So if user is staying some location like Chennai or Bangalore or Pune or Delhi, okay, so he'll type, he wants to take out this training. Okay, so there are two scenarios. Okay, one is online and offline. There will be two cases, right? Either he want to take out like offline training, I mean like classroom training, or like on-site training, online training. Okay, so here user will type like this example. If he is looking for institution, so he'll type like digital marketing training institute in Bangalore. Now see, this is a long tail keyword. Now you can see this. Here we have ads are showing up. Here again, Google Maps is showing up here. So based on that keyword, and then people ask also showing up again. Here the organic results are showing up here. Okay. So let's example, user is looking for classroom training or like any nearby locations. Okay. So he'll type only near me like this. If this is based on the geolocation, it will show you the results. Okay. So again, one more thing, like digital marketing course. Some people they'll search for the course also. Okay. So when user is searching for course, okay, that too in which location? In Pune or Chennai or Bangalore. So they'll type like this. Okay. See, now by taking out this head body and long tail, I mean head and body. So we have to add head and body, and we have to create one long tail keywords. I mean like here in the first side, whatever you see here, like one or two words, that two words, and here the two words, the two we have to include, and we have to create one long tail keyword. Okay. Now example here, we have a graph, you can see here, long tail keywords, how it works. Example, user is looking for like best walking shoes. Okay. If you type like best walking shoes, if you see here, more competition will be there, and then low conversion. That means user, see the example, live example, I'll show you. Now see, if user is typing like best walking shoes, so here there are two scenarios. Okay, one is men and women. Okay, they both only they'll search it, right? So here, whoever the I mean like whoever has created this website, okay, they don't know that like either women can wear or men can wear. Okay, that is the two things will be there. Okay, so here this is a one scenario. Okay, so user, like here you can't see here like any Myntra or like Amazon or Flipkart. See, nothing is showing up here. Only the main sites like big sites like Nike is showing up here. Now here, see, somewhere it is showing up in the 7th position or 8th position, it is showing up here for this keyword. That means low conversion will be there. So for this keyword, people will not come to the site, and I mean like people will not buy this any item for this keyword. Okay, nothing but high competition will be there now. Even though if competitor is there, so he can't come with this keyword to his competition. Okay, that is main thing. So again, the second, if you see, medium competition will be there. Best walking shoes for men. So if you see this here, we have a medium competition, low conversion. Both the things is coming up. Okay, there are 50-50 chances. Okay, let's example one woman is there, she is looking for best walking shoes. So if she types here women, there are chances, so she can buy it. Okay, she'll go to this site and she'll buy it. Any one link they'll be using it and they'll buy it. And the third thing, if you see here, we have a long tail, lower competition is there. So see, there will be specific requirements for the women. Okay, they want like flat feet only, high heel only. Okay, so in that case, they'll search like this. Okay, best walking shoes for women with the flat feet. Now, if you see here, observe carefully this line, if you observe it, so less competition is there. So observe this, less competition will be there, high conversion will be there. So their needs are very simple. Okay, so no user will type like best walking shoes. Okay, they'll get a lot of walking shoes. Like there will be men and women, they have to wear it. Okay, in that also they'll get confusion. But high heel will be there. Okay, that too you will not be satisfied with that. So they'll type the exact keyword whichever they're looking for. Like example, long tail keyword. So this is a long tail keyword example. See this. And one more example I'll tell you. Okay, digital marketing training in Bangalore with placement. This is a one keyword. And one more keyword. Example, I mean like co-working space in Electronic City, office space for rent in Bangalore. So this kind of a keywords. Okay, so like this. So use head body keywords to find more related body keywords. I've told you now, see here, use head body keywords to find more related body keywords. So you have to measure both that. But when it comes to tool research, like, so there only will get all the things. So we have to create our long tail keywords. Okay, but like let's example, digital marketing is there, training you'll be adding it automatically. The keyword will show up here in Bangalore. All these things we have to add it. Select keywords with good monthly searches and low competition. So we have to select the keywords with good monthly searches. I mean, like more than you can take like above 100, above 200, that keywords you can take it. Above 200, less than 1000. Okay, search volume. So that thing, search volume, will be seeing it in the tool itself. Okay, in the next sessions. So find more long tail keywords. Understand the intent of the searcher. Okay, so there are two things here. Is he or she looking to buy something? That is, we call it as a commercial search. Example, Chinese restaurant in my city. They're looking for restaurant. Okay, they want to have something. Okay, nothing but a commercial search. One more example, digital marketing training. Okay, and one more example, like office space for rent in Bangalore. That is a commercial search only. Okay, just looking for some information. That is informal search. Example, like here we have a music lead singers. When you type any keyword in Google, like music lead singers, so you'll get only the singers list over there. Okay, example, if you type any SP Balasubramaniam or like MS Dhoni or Sachin Tendulkar, you will get about their information. Okay, now here, like, which searches are relevant to you. So now you guys decided which search will be relevant to you. Okay, either commercial search or like informal search. So keyword types in SEO strategy. So here we have a head keywords, body keywords, long tail keywords, branded keywords. So head keywords. So these are broad one or two word keywords that have high search volumes but also high competition. So example I have told you now again. So here we have a shoes, furniture, cars. These three things is there. These are all the head keywords. So this is again example I'm telling it. Okay, this is strategy we are planning it. So body keywords. These are the more specific than head keywords and have lower search volume, but also lower competition will be there. So they are typically two to three words and are more tagged in nature. So example, like here we have a running shoes. See, the first thing we have like shoes here. In the body, we have a added running shoes is there. Modern furniture is there. Used cars is there. Now, long tail keyword. So these are the highly specific and have much lower search volumes, but also very low competition will be there. Competition will be very low there. Okay. So you can go and do it. So here they are typically 4 or more words and are very targeted in nature. Examples: best running shoes for women. See this example. Mid-century modern furniture for small spaces. See this. User cards, user cards under $5,000. So like this, long tail we have to search it. Okay. So branded keywords. So these are keywords that include the name of your brand or a company. So they can be either head, body, or long tail keywords and are important for establishing a strong online presence and driving traffic to your website. Geographic keywords. So these are the keywords that include geographical modifiers such as city names or zip codes. They are especially important for businesses that have a physical location or wanted to attract local customers. Example, like here we have a Chicago pizza delivery or Los Angeles plumber. Okay. LSI, latent semantic indexing keywords. So LSI keywords. So these are the keywords that are related to your primary keyword and help search engines understand the context of the content on your website. Example, if the primary keyword is running shoes, LSI keywords might include athletic footwear, marathon training, or track and field. So by incorporating a mix of these different types of keywords into your SEO strategy, so businesses can create a well-rounded keyword plan that targets a variety of keywords at different levels of specificity and competition. Building a winning keyword plan. So conduct market research before you start building your keyword plan. It's important to understand your target audience and your competition as well. So conduct market research to identify what your audience is searching for, what their pain points and needs are, and how your competitors are positioning themselves in the market. So we have to conduct the market research. You should have a proper plan, okay, when you're doing a market research. So develop a list of potential keywords. So based on your market research, so develop a list of potential keywords that accurately reflect the intent behind your audience search queries. So this list should include a mix of head, body, and long tail keywords that are relevant to your business and have high search volumes. Okay, that will sit in the tool itself. No need to worry. I'll show you clearly in the next sessions. Analyze search volumes and competition. So use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahref to analyze search volumes and competition for each of your keywords. So prioritize keywords with high search volumes and low competition. So as these are the most valuable keywords to target it. Okay. So we have to analyze the search volume and competition. So with the tools. Okay. So example, we will take out the SEMrush and we'll show you. So group related keywords. So group your keywords into related clusters based on themes or topics. So this will help you to create content that is more focused and targeted to specific themes or topics, making it more appealing to both search engines and users. Prioritize your keywords. So how will you prioritize your keywords? So prioritize your keywords based on their relevance, search volume, and competition. Okay, these three things. So focus on targeting keywords that are most relevant to your business and have potential to attract the most traffic. Okay. So incorporate keywords into your content. Okay. So how will you incorporate it? Once you have developed a keyword plan, okay, once you'll be creating the keyword plan, you'll be having the list of all the keywords with the search volumes and intent. Okay. Incorporate your keywords into your content and metadata. So basically what you will do with that keywords, we have to, as I told you, so we have to create a title, description, and then H1 tag, and then here we have to add it in the paragraph as well. Okay. Based on these keywords only, we have to create a content, relevant content. So use your keywords strategically and naturally without overstuffing your content with the too many keywords. Okay, see one more point here also. Okay, when you create any content, okay, let's example digital marketing is there. Okay, so I'll start creating a course content there. Okay, so I should not repeat the keyword again and again there. Wherever is possible, we have to use there. So here we have 3 steps now. If you observe in the images, keyword research, copy optimization, content plan. That is the 3 things. So monitor and adjust your keyword plan. So finally, monitor the performance of your keyword plan over time and adjust it as needed. So see, when you implement that keywords into your content, if it is working, then fine. Every time you have to keep a track that keywords. Okay, you have to just search it in Google and which position it is showing up, that we need to find it out. So use metrics like search engine rankings, website traffic, and conversion rates to determine which keywords are driving the most value for your businesses and make adjustments accordingly. Okay. So keyword match types in digital marketing. See, this is one of the important thing in our digital marketing. So keyword match types are used in digital marketing to determine how closely a user search query must match the keywords in your PPC advertising campaign. So there are 4 main keyword match types. One is broad match, phrase match, exact match, native match. Broad match. So this is the default match type for most PPC campaigns. Okay, so PPC will be having the last topic. Okay, so it means that your ads will show up for searches that include any of your keywords in order, and sometimes even for search related searches. Okay, like example here we have like broad match is tennis shoes. Your ad may show up for searches like running shoes or sneakers. So mainly here, like when you type any keyword in Google, let's example here we have a tennis shoes. So when you're typing any keyword like here tennis shoes, so results may show up. No, they're like sponsored results. Okay, mainly I'm talking about that only here. So here your ad may show up such as like running shoes or sneakers also it will show up. Okay, this is we call it as a broad match. So keyword may changes here. Okay. Phrase match. So this match type requires your keywords to appear in order you specify, but can include other words before or after the phrase. Example, if your phrase match keyword is tennis shoes, your ad may show for searches like buy tennis shoes for women, like this. So this will be automatically added. Okay, no need to do anything when you are adding the phrase match keywords. Okay, so mainly here broad match only will take out. Okay, I mean like mainly most of the people they'll be focused on the broad match only. And then here we have an exact match. Okay, there are some specific requirements will be there. They'll use the exact match based on the requirements, guys. Okay, not only specific thing. Okay, and exact match here, this is the match type requires your ads to show only for the exact keyword. Okay, when user is typing for like tennis shoes, then only ad has to show up, or else ad will not show up. For example, if your exact match is tennis shoes, your ad will show up only for the same style. Okay, native match. So this match type allows you to exclude certain keywords from triggering your ads. For example, if you sell high-end tennis shoes and don't want to show up for searches for cheaper tennis shoes, you may add cheap as a negative match keyword. That we need to add it in. So we'll have it in the PPC section only. Okay, these all the things. So intent. So intent keywords are specific keywords for keywords that are usually to target users who are searching for a particular type of information or a solution. So these are based on understanding the intent behind user search as query and providing them with most relevant content. So here we have some examples. Informal intent keywords. Example here we have these keywords are used when a user is looking for some information on a particular topic. Okay. Example, how to cook pasta. Informational, I have told you, like in the previous slides, I have told you informational, commercial keywords, right? I mean like about that, right? So example here you see, how to cook pasta. Second example, best ways to cook, best ways to lose weight. Third thing is what is SEO. So if you're typing these keywords, you will get only the information. See here, like how to cook pasta is there, right? So when you type that keyword in Google, only it will show you like how to cook pasta instructions. Okay. It will not prepare and give it to you, right? So if it is order case, so if you're looking for like pasta, so you'll search for online, right? Okay, that is the thing. Best ways to lose weight is there. That is also same. You will be just finding some information with that keyword. So what is SEO? That is the thing. And then here navigational intent keywords is there. So these keywords are used when user is searching for a specific website or a brand. Example, Facebook login, Nike shoes online store, Amazon Prime Video. These are the navigational keywords. Okay. Commercial intent keywords. So these keywords are used when user is researching product or services, but may not be ready to purchase it. For example, best laptop deals. See, when the user is searching for best laptop deals, he'll search for deals only, but he won't buy. Affordable web design company. So some people, what they'll do is by typing this keyword, okay, they'll be getting a lot of results, okay, in the search engine results page. So user will search for like first guy, second guy, third guy. He'll inquire about the that particular about the services, and he'll take out the quotation. Who is giving the best price? He'll contact it. So top rated travel insurance. Okay, these are the main thing in our intent keywords. Okay, I used to take commercial only. So based on that too, based on the requirement only, guys. Okay, I'll tell you one example here. Okay, informal keyword, we can use it for a blog articles. Okay, mainly. So commercial keywords, we'll use it for a service based websites. Okay, that two things we can do it. Now here one more, we have a transactional intent keywords is there. These keywords are used when a user is ready to make a purchase or take a specific action. Okay, so here when you're using like e-commerce, here we have a buy Nike running shoes. See this, with this transactional intent keywords, they're ready to make a purchase, schedule dentist appointment, download free ebooks. So these things. So by understanding the different types of intent keywords and incorporating them into your content and advertising strategy, so businesses can provide users with the most relevant information and solutions, ultimately drive more traffic, leads, and sales. So here we have a keyword research tools. I have told you, SEM Scoop, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Keyword.io, Google Keyword Planner, RoboSuggest, Answer the Public. So these are the tools will be teaching in the next sessions. Okay, see, any one, two or three tools you can take it. Don't focus on all of the things, you'll get confusion again. Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you for participating in this session. Have a great day. The first tool which I'm going is keyword.io free tool. So now you can see here this keyword tool will show me like long tail keyword research tool. Okay, so example, I'm taking here digital marketing. So requirement is very simple. Okay, so this is my website. Okay, I wanted to do keyword research for my website. Okay, so first what I need to check it out now, like we have to check the landing pages. How many landing pages are there in the website? How many landing pages? Okay, so one home page is there, one more is like we have a landing page. Example, I'll type the website here. Let me show you the landing page quickly. Assume that this is a landing page of the website. Okay, so for this website you have to do keyword research. Okay, so basically this website gives us a training, right? Okay, so you have to find the training related keywords. So I'll come to this tool. I've given my keyword there. Okay, and select the location, click on search. Scroll down. Now if you see, here we have a keywords loading. Mix of all the keywords are coming up here, okay? If you want to filter it out, okay, you can just type here training. Okay, now see here, we got the two keywords only, digital marketing training keyword and then training institutes in Bangalore. So like this. So one more keyword I'll type, filter, I'll do it. Example, if you wanted to do for like company, let's example, you wanted to provide services, digital marketing services, okay? You can just type the keyword filter here, company. Now you can find out all the keywords here, see. Best digital marketing company in Bangalore, in India, best digital marketing company in world, digital marketing company, names for a digital marketing company. So these keywords are coming up, okay? Like this also you can start doing research, okay? If you want, you can pick out that keywords. Now I'll take this keyword, top 10 digital marketing company in India, that also I'll take it. Okay, again I'll start doing research, okay? I'll type institute. Now see, best digital marketing institute and then institute in Bangalore. This one also I'll take it, okay? You can note down this keyword somewhere, okay? Just, see, if you want to export it here, you can't export it. This is a free tool, na? So that's why you have to copy these keywords into the notepad. Okay, so like this, I can copy this keyword. Again, I have to. So like this, for every landing page, okay, you have to add at least 5 or 6 keywords, no more than that, okay? Let's example, here also one category we have it, okay? If you're doing research only on training, you have to filter out only the training related keywords. If you're doing it only for the placement, you have to filter out only the placement related keywords, okay? Now, after taking these keywords, okay, you have to go to the tool called SEM Scoop to find the search volume, na? Okay, so here we're getting only the keywords, okay? Where is the search volume? That data I have to show, na? So for that's why I'll be going to this free tools called SEM Scoop. Now here we have a keyword tool section. Just go to that keyword tool section. Now the keywords which you have copied it, you have to import it here. Import keyword section is there, right? Just go import it. Import it now. Now observe carefully the keyword which I have added here, best digital marketing institute, okay? For that institute, you can see that keyword difficulty also here. How much is the keyword difficulty? So keyword difficulty score that indicates whether it's easy or hard to rank website in search engines for top 10 results. A lower keyword difficulty score means more chances to rank. Okay. Now if you see here, 0 to 10, if you have, no competition will be there. 11 to 20, extremely low competition. 21 to 30, low competition will be there again. 31 to 40, moderate competition. 41 to 50, somewhat high competition will be there. 51 to 65, very high competition will be there. 65 to 100, do not even think about it. Okay, so you can filter that keywords also, competition keywords, okay? So this is 39. So 39 means moderate competition will be there. Happily, you can rank it if your content is good, okay? Now you can see the search volume. What is the search volume here? Observe carefully. The average number of searches that occur for this keyword or phrase in the last 12 months. 1,600 people are searching for this keyword. Okay. Now we'll take out another keyword. Now see. We'll see the keyword difficulty for this also. We'll cover up the pay tool as well. Okay. One tool, that is SEMrush, also will cover up. Now 26. 26 means low competition will be there. Happily, you can rank for this keyword also if your content is good. Okay. Now here in this tool, you can say who is coming with this keyword. Okay. When user searches for digital marketing training in Bangalore, institute in Bangalore, this guy is coming up, this guy is coming up, this guy is coming up. These are the competitors. Now you can see their domain authority, domain age, page authority, content size, backlinks. So these are the cover up in the SEO section. Okay. No need to worry as of now. Okay. Just to understand about the search volume right now. Okay. So like this, we have to list out this all the keywords in an Excel format. Okay. Now go to the Excel. Now I'm typing here keyword research. Now here I'm adding the tool name also. Okay, better we can do like this also. SEM scoop. Okay, and then here you can add a search volume. Now I'll go here. I'll select all the keywords. So I can export to CSV also. I'll click on export to CSV. Now, apart from the keywords which I have given, so rest of the suggestion keywords also showing up for me. See, this is a free tool, na? Like showing 50 keywords. If you want like up to 2000, you have to go for plans only. Okay. This tool also will cover up in our topic. Okay. I'll show you the paid tool, how it looks like. Now, let me open the file which I have downloaded. Now see, here we have a keyword, here we have a search volume. Okay. Here also, if you want to filter it out, okay. So you can go to this filter option, filter, and you can filter that keyword whichever you wanted. The rest of the other keywords you can remove it, not a problem. See, when you are giving services in Bangalore, you can select the Bangalore keywords. Where are the training related keywords? Okay, I'll take these keywords also. Yeah, I got these keywords. Okay, as of now, enough. Okay. Now I can say for this keyword, we have this much volume. Now rest of the things I'm removing it. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll copy this data. I'll add it into my Excel sheet. Even the search volume is also important. You have to copy that and you have to add it. Okay. So like this, we have to start doing research. Okay. The keywords. And here make sure, okay, we have typed only the main keyword. Okay. That is digital marketing. We have typed it. Okay. Rest other things like head keyword only we have typed it. Head and body keyword. Rest of the things long tail keyword automatically it has created and it has shown to us. Okay. So now let's go to another tool, which is Uber Suggest. This is also a free, we can use for free 3 times in a day. 3 searches, sorry, 3 searches we can do. So you can sign up with the Google account. Now I'll go to the keyword research here. Click on keyword overview. Okay. So I can enter the keyword here. Get a detailed keyword overview if you want it. Okay. Or you can, if you want to get an ideas, you can go to this keyword ideas section. You can add 3 keywords. Okay. So I'll type here digital marketing. That is a one keyword. Digital marketing training. The second keyword, digital jobs. Example, I'm typing this keyword as well. Okay. Now we have to choose a language, select the location, click on search. Now see, you're using a free version. Okay. So 2 out of 3 free daily searches available. Every day we can do 3 searches daily. Now you can see here we have a volume as well. Okay. And here we have a SEO difficulty. If you want to get rank easily with this 0 to 35 keywords, you can filter it and you can see that particular keywords only. 36 to 69 medium, 70 to hard, 100 hard. Okay. And this is for PPC. Actually, if you want to run the PPC campaigns, you have to go for like this thing. Okay. So here we have a CPC pricing also. Okay. For this keyword, how much you can bid it. Okay. Like this. Now when you scroll down, so here you can see digital marketing course volume is 90,500 people are searching. I can bidding amount will be 131 rupees. Okay. And we have a paid difficulty. Estimated competition in the paid search, the higher the number of more competitive. See, it is bit like medium. Okay. And for this keyword, if you want to see who is coming in the Google search results, now see here. So first this guy is coming up, estimated visits. That means for this guy, no, like with this keyword, 19,547 people are visiting their website. This URL, okay. Links, 920, 9,271 backlinks are there for this website or landing page, okay. Domain authority is 81. It's good score. Social sharings are, see, this many social sharings are there, 17,698. That's why like it will be coming up. Okay. Now here, if you want to find out related keywords, so you can just go to this related section. 2,76,728 keywords are there. These are the related keywords. Scroll down. So these are the related keywords. Okay. And here, if you want to filter out questionnaires, let's example user searches questions also na in Google. Okay. So what kind of questions they'll be searching? So this kind of question. What is digital marketing? Why digital marketing is important? See this volume, how much it is there? We already learned in the keyword planning section. Questionnaires also, long tail keywords. Okay. And we have a prepositions. Fees for digital marketing course like this. MBA with digital marketing. Like this keywords. Comparisons. I can see this comparisons also. Comparison keywords. Digital marketing as a career surveys. Digital marketing versus traditional marketing. So like this. Okay. So you can also do one thing is, like here, you can select these keywords. You can export to CSV or you can copy to the clipboard. See the keywords which you have given. Okay, for that volume also it's there. See, 2,46,000 is there for only digital marketing. High competition keyword. See, highly competition keyword. That's why this much volume is there. Only digital marketing. So users, they'll look out for a training also. What keyword they'll be typing in Google? Digital marketing training in Bangalore. Okay, like that. Now we'll copy, we'll export it, export all. Again, I'll take out the data, I'll add it in my Excel sheet. Okay, so here one thing you should make it clear. Okay, so I am taking only the training related keywords and institute related keywords. Okay, you have to just take the same thing. Don't mix up the keywords. Why? Because in Google, when you are showing your page in the search results, okay, so don't show the different pages. Example, best digital marketing courses Bangalore I'm typing, or like training also you can type it. Now see this example in one side, competitor I'm taking it. Now this competitor, so they have added the keyword in title, description. Okay, see, only the digital marketing training keyword is added in the title, and then digital marketing institute also. If the user is searching for institute, okay, for that keyword also your website has to show up. That is the thing. Okay, even though in the content also you have to add the keywords in the website content landing page. So that's why I have taken only the two keywords only, two category wise. Institute. Now see, digital marketing and institute, that two keywords only I'm taking because I have only one landing page, right? So that's why I had taken these two keywords. Now again, I can write down here Uber suggest research. And here also search volume by default it's there. Okay, after that we'll go for Google keyword planner. Okay, Google keyword planner. So scroll down. So here we have a Google keyword planner. Directly you can go to this keyword planning section. And small setup you need to do. Already have created few accounts. Okay, if you want you can create a new account as well. So choose the billing country India. Okay, time zone, currency. This, see, when you're running the PPC campaigns, okay, select the currency is like India only. If you're running for Indian client, okay. If you're running for US client, you have to select US client only. Okay, later you can't change this currency. See, if you want to get any support from the Google AdWords team, you can call them at any time to set up your account. Okay. So later on, like if you want, you can give it. As of now, not required. So here we have a explore your keyword planner. Just click on that. Okay. So here we have a tools. Under tools, we have a keyword planning section. Okay. So just click on this keyword planner. You will be landed into this page. Okay. So here we have a two options: discover new keywords, get keyword ideas that can help you reach people interested in your product or services. If you want to explore new keywords, or if you want to do like keyword research, here you can go for this section. So here the first section is like start with the keywords is there. Now I'll type here digital marketing. Okay, that is the one. If you just hit enter, it will take. Again, I'm typing here digital marketing training. Again, I have one more keyword I'll type: digital marketing institute. Okay. After that, like if you want, you can give the website URL also, not required. So just click on get results. Now, see what are the keywords you have typed. So based on the keywords here, you can broaden your keywords also. Here, Google is showing me suggestions. You can add this suggested keywords also. Now, the keywords which I have typed it. Now you can see the average monthly search volumes of these keywords. Okay, and you can see the competition also. How much competition of this have this keyword? For digital marketing, low competition. Digital marketing training, medium competition. Digital marketing institute, medium competition. Now you can see the top of the page bidding. So you can bid this from this amount to this amount. See, as we can see in Uber suggest, it is showing like 137 rupees something. Okay, but when it comes to Google Keyword Planner, here how much amount you wanted to bid for this keyword. So Google is showing up. See, 27 rupees to 887 rupees also I can bid for this keyword to show the ads. Okay. Now when you scroll down, so here we have a suggestion keywords. Digital marketing services, average monthly search volume is 10K to 100K. Okay, and then you can see the competition also. Now if you want to filter out only the low competition keywords, okay, so for that you can add a filter here. Competition, you can go for like low competition. You'll get all the low competition keywords. If you want to say highly competition keywords, again you have to add filter competition, high competition keywords. Click on filter. Now I can see which are the high competition keywords. See this: digital marketing course online with placement, performance marketing course online, digital marketing live course, digital marketing and branding courses, top rated digital marketing courses, like this. Okay, and here if you want to filter by like keyword, see keyword contains training. If you wanted to filter it out, click on apply. It will show me only the training related keywords only. That keywords you can copy it and you can add it in your Excel sheet. Okay, when you are creating any landing pages for the PPC, okay, AdWords tool, okay, so you can filter it out like that. It will be easy for you to. Now select all these keywords. Now if you want to copy it, you can copy it, okay, or you can download it here. See, we have seen about the keyword different types, na? Broad match, phrase match, exact match and all. Now see this example of phrase match also. So only I'll copy broad match on, sorry, phrase match only. So if you want, you can copy only the phrase match like this. It will copy only the broad match. Let me remove the high competition again. I'll add it once again, training. Keyword that contains training. Okay, click on search. If you want to see organic impression share also, I can see average position organic. It should be greater, sorry, it should be less than 500. See, social media marketing training, digital marketing training institute. So these are the keywords. Okay, whichever the keywords is important to you, that only you can pick it up. If it is trending related keywords and you wanted to pick it up, so you can use this one. Okay. So here, select all the keywords. Again, we have to copy it and you can add it here in our Excel. Okay. And search volume also you can copy it similar way. Okay. So if you want to copy the search volume also, you can have to download it. CSV. So here we have a keywords and here we have a search volume. So like this, you can filter it out. Okay. Now, I'll show you one more tool, that is answer the public. Here also, if you start searching for any digital marketing, see, use only 1 or 2 words for the best results. Okay. I've used only 2 words. Select the India location, click on search. Now see, now I can see the highly searched, average searched, lowest searched with this tool. Which digital marketing course is best? Okay, for that also I can see the data. Okay, search volume will be 246K. So if you are writing for any like articles and all, which digital marketing course is best, or like which digital marketing is best for beginners, like this. Okay, articles. So you can use this kind of keywords. Why? Then here, will digital marketing die? Some like this kind of questions is there. Prepositions is there, you can see. If you want, you can save the image also. For that, we need to create an account again. Scroll down. Digital marketing without degree, without investment, without website, social media. See, this kind of data we have it. We can explore this. Let me accept it. Let me register. Let me export it. Scroll down. Again, I have to start search. Let in the location India. Okay, see, this is also a free tool. Okay, 3 out of 3 free searches available for today. If you want to get the data, okay, so now you can see here related to the R, can, how digital marketing works. So like this, we have a different things. Okay. Scroll up. So if you want to download the image, okay, so go to the visualizations, save the image. No thanks. Generating image. So this is a CPC, cost per click. And then this is the search volume, 10, 140, 30, 10, 10, 10, 10. So these are the search volumes, which is showing in the red color. Distributed to my 10 people are searching 10, 10, 10, 10 like this. Okay. So let me open the PNG image, how it looks like. Now see this. This is how the image looks like. I can start doing research. So if you want to download the data, you can download the data from here itself. Go to the data and you can copy this, whichever you want it. Okay. If you don't want, like, you can hide the suggestion from here. Okay. So this is one tool we can do the research. Okay. So let's go to the paid tools. See, if you want to buy the paid tools, okay, we have like SEMrush, Ahref. These are costlier, but like all the website audit, keyword research, everything we can do it with the help of these tools. Okay, SEMrush, Ahref, both are similar tools only. Some changes will be there. That's it. Okay. When you go to the SEMrush, if you see the pricing and planning, see, if you're using the pro version, it costs like $119. Guru version $229. Business $449. Okay. So even though Ahref also similar pricing only. See, $99 will be there. Standard $199, $399, $999. See, if you want to buy these tools, okay, we have a site called like flicko.com SEO tools, where you can go and register in this site, and we can get this all the paid tools with the cheaper price. Okay, so the tool which I'm using now is Toolsada. Okay, so here we can go to this tool and you can start doing the research. Okay, see, this tool provides lots of tools, like SEO tools is there. We have like SEMrush, Keyword Revealer, SEM Scoop, Word.ai, Stock Unlimited, BuzzSumo, Moz, SpyFu, Canva, Spamzilla, Article Builder. Okay, so and then like we have like ChatGPT also will be there. Okay, so now we are going to do keyword research now, so that's why we'll go to this SEMrush. I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so here also you can go to this free tool. Okay, you can log in it. You can log in with your Gmail account, and you can see the data also, but limited version it will show. Okay, I'll show you the difference between free tool and paid tool. Okay, mainly we'll be using SEMrush only. And then the real time I have used SEMrush only. Now I'll go to the features here. Get started for free. See here, we can start for the free also if you don't have it. Now here we have a keyword research section. Okay, here we have a keyword overview. Go to this tool. So here you can enter from 1 to 100 keywords separated by commas. If you don't know, also fine. If you don't know anything about that keywords, okay, just if you know only the keyword, you can go to this magic tool and you can find the data. See, if you have a keywords which has a like large number of like 1 to 50 keywords or 100 keywords, you want to find the search volume of these keywords. You can go for this keyword overview. Just you can see the overview of that particular keyword. Okay. You can see the example here. So what all things will be covering up in this overview? Search volume you can see, intent also you can see, understand the deeper intent behind every search query. Okay, and you can see the keyword difficulty also, how hard it is. Okay, use the best keyword density formula on the market to estimate the real-time difficulty of ranking on the first page. And we have a SERP features. Check out the special search results that appear on a keyword results page. Okay, so these things will be available. And what we can do analyze the competitors on the search engine results page, like page authority score, referring domains, and backlinks. And these things will cover up in the SEO session. No need to worry as of now. Okay, and you can export the keyword ideas also. So here you can see the questionnaires. Okay, and you can see the volume difficulty also. You can see. Okay, now example, I'll type here only to show you digital marketing. Hit enter. Digital marketing training related keywords, digital marketing company related keywords, like this. Okay, then choose a location if you wanted. Just click on search. Only 3 keywords have added. The 3 keywords overview I can see this is a free version na? So that's why like only one keyword it is showing. Okay, if you take the paid version, it will show you the rest keywords data. Okay, see this keyword digital marketing is only the informal keyword, informational keywords. The user wanted to find an answer to a specific question, that is informal. Volume, see how much volume it is there. There is a 1.0k. Keyword difficulty, if you see here, 100 is showing. So very hard. Okay, it will take a lot of on-page SEO, link building, and content promotion efforts. Okay, and then CPC, and then competitive density also you can see here. And then we have SERP features. Totally 9 results are showing up here. Results is there showing up here, like SERP search engine results page. We have a 2.0 billion results are there. Okay, the last week. No, this it will take some time to update the data. Okay, let's say in Google it is showing you like one row one website, and here it is showing one row another website. Okay, because it has to fetch the website data, it will take some time, but it shows the accurate results. Okay, when it comes to keyword magic tool, the keyword which I have given it, for that keyword, if you want to find the search volume of this keyword, you can just give the keyword, and you can see here we have a broad match, phrase match, exact match, related. So broad match nothing but any variation of your seed, keyword, or keyword phrase in any order. So exact word or keyword phrase in various orders. Exact match, only the exact keywords it will show. Related keywords. And here, if you want, you can see the questionnaires also. You can just click on this. You can see only the questionnaires. Example. Now see. The same thing we have seen in the answer the public tool, right? Okay, like this. Here also we have all. I have clicked on all section. Okay, and here we have a volume. If you want, you can filter out the volume wise also. Okay, I'm not filtering out volume. I want to see the proper results. So again, we have here keyword difficulty. Now see here. So in the keyword difficulty section, it is showing you the numbers, right? So here, if you want to go, you can go for like very hard nothing but how to get your website into the listing with very hard. So it will take a lot of on-page SEO techniques. Okay, link building, you have to do lot of link building, you have to do it, and content promotion efforts, you have to do it. And 70 to 84, you will need lots of high quality reference domains and optimized content. If you do backlink building, that is fine for this difficulty keywords. Okay, and then possible, you'll need well structured and unique content. If your content is good, definitely you can rank with these keywords. Just filter it, click on that, and you can see like which keywords are showing up. You can take that keywords only, you can rank first. Easy. You'll need quality content focused on keywords intent. And then very easy, your chance to start ranking new pages. Okay, now see, first I'll go with 0 to 14. Now you only observe which keywords are showing up. Some website name they are typing it, digital marketing company in Bhubaneswar, Nasik. See, these are the commercial keywords. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you the intentional also. So intentional, here we have informational, navigational, commercial, transactional. So informational, nothing but the user wanted to find an answer to a specific question, that is informational. Navigational, so the user want to find a specific page or a site, that is navigational. Example we have seen na, Amazon Prime login, Facebook page login. Commercial, the user wanted to investigate brands or service, that is a commercial. Okay. Transactional, the user want to complete an action, that is conversion. Now if I filter commercial, okay, now I have filtered keyword difficulty very easy and I want to rank it easily as soon as possible. Okay. I can go for this one and you can see this digital marketing company in Nashik, that is 720 people are searching, that is a commercial keyword. Digital marketing course in Mohalli. Okay. So like this we have a different locations is there. See, these are the long tail keywords. I hope you guys understood. Okay. Now let's example, I want to filter out the training related. Okay. For that, what I'll do, I'll go left hand side, I have all the keywords here. Okay. I'll search for the training related category and I'll click on that filter, or institute related. I'll click on this institute related. I'll get only the institute related keywords. Now observe here carefully. Digital Marketing Institute in Mohalli, best digital marketing institute in Allahabad. Okay. So like this. So once you do this research and you can download that keywords and you can add it in your website content. Okay. So here in this keyword manager tool, we can see like keyword intent, difficulty, volume and all. Position tracking. With that keyword, what is the position of your website? Now if I give here any website name, example, my website I'm giving here, setup tracking. So here we need to add the search engines as Google you want to, Baidu you want, like desktop you want to add, and you can add your location also. Continue to keywords. India. Here it's an optional. Okay. Continue to the keywords. Now in your website you will be added all the keywords now. Example, let's say example, you have done the keyword research and you have added the keywords, and the keywords which you have added it, you want to check the position of that. Okay, let me find out the real keywords only. Control U, Control F, Control U, or you can do directly right click, view page source, you can land it to this page. Okay. Now in the title I have added the keyword na, digital marketing course, digital marketing training certification program. Okay. Okay. Training. Okay, example I'm showing you. Okay, I have not added properly in this title. Okay, so that's why I'm just adding you and showing you. Okay, just start tracking. Scroll little bit down. Any keyword ma, if you wanted to track it, see after doing the keyword research, what you'll do. Okay, let me guide you. Okay. So what all you have done here first, keyword research. After doing keyword research, where you have to apply? You have to apply in the or implement in the website landing page. Okay. After implementing the website landing page, again, so you can use this tool, keyword research tool. to track the keyword position, okay, in the Google search results where you are coming up. That thing also I can do it. Let me check out where it is coming up. It is taking some time. So this will be your project, okay? This site is your project. So it is 0 now. All the data is showing 0. Landscape it is showing 0. Let me show you the overview. So this is a website domain, okay? The last day, when you scroll down, so you can see this is the commercial keywords which have added it, training, and it is still it is taking time to load the data, okay? Can see the view here, position here. So who is coming up with this certification keyword? Now if I type my website name, okay, so here it is showing highlighting, okay, but in the search results it has to highlight it, okay, like that. It takes some time, okay. We'll go back to the paid tool and I'll show you here. I'm accessing the paid tool from third-party website. You can also get it, okay. In market we have so many tools available, third-party tools. We can use that anyone, okay. So let me open this. No big difference, everything is same. Okay, I'm typing the keyword here, select the location, click on search. Currency you can change it to India also, no need to worry. Now see, you'll get all the results, okay. Now if you want to filter only the Bangalore related keywords or Chennai related keywords or like Pune related keywords, okay, so I can go for this categories. So here we have a course category, agency category, company category. See now digital marketing, what you'll give, either you are giving training or you are giving jobs or you're giving like services, what you are giving. So like this we need to select the category first. We have so many categories now. So let me go to the training related. There is a training. Train is there na? I'll go to the training related keywords. So under that also we have a again categories. Institute is there, course is there, best Hyderabad, Bangalore. Okay. Now let me click on Bangalore and see what keywords are showing up to me. If you're using paid tools now, like it is easy to do the research. Okay. Now scroll down. There are 105 keywords. 105 keywords are there. Okay. These are the best keywords for me to get ranked in the searching results page. Okay. Now see which are the keywords. So I have selected the Bangalore. In that, like my requirement is training. Okay. Best digital marketing training institute in Bangalore. Okay. For that, like 880 people are searching it. Difficulty is 45. So to get into the Google search results, like 45. Let me see the difficulty. 45 means possibility. For that, what you have to do? You will need well structured and unique content. If your content is well structured, good, definitely you can rank it with this keyword. Okay. Now let me show you the procedure. Take out the landing page. Okay. So for that, see this page is talking about digital marketing courses training in Bangalore. Okay. For that, you have to filter it out only training related keywords, institute related keywords, and then placement related keywords. These three things only. And here one more point is like in these keywords, like which location you wanted to give. Now you can select the Bangalore related keywords. If you're giving services in Bangalore, you can select out all these Bangalore related keywords. Example like this. Digital marketing training institutes in Bangalore. Long tail keywords, you have to choose it. Okay. By taking this keyword, you have to add it in the website. Adding and all, I'll tell you how we can add it. You can use it plugins as well. Okay. So in a landing page, at least 5 keywords you need to add it. Okay. So it should be the same training related keywords and like training related, jobs related, or like placement, institute related keywords. And like take out the 5 keywords. Okay. That 5 keywords you need to add it in the landing page. Okay. So institute, I'll take it example. Now see, digital marketing training institute, for that only 1.0K. Best digital marketing training in Bangalore. For that 880 people are searching. Training institutes combination. See, training and institute is coming in Pune, 590. Like that. If you want, you can include the location also. You can filter it by including these keywords here. Like you can add your broad match keywords also. Automatically it will show, not a problem. Okay. Like this, you can download it here. Select all the keywords if you want it, or you can select the individual keywords, whichever you want. You can copy, or you can download it from there by using this export option. Okay. Now, if you are providing digital marketing services, that for that you have to create a separate landing page again. Landing page should be different again. And this service related keywords, you have to add it there. Don't mix up all the things in one together. Okay, keep this in mind. This is very important. Now see, digital marketing services in Delhi, India, near me, list Hyderabad. Everything is mixed up here. So if you want to filter out only Bangalore related keywords, you can exclude Bangalore also. See, enter keyword separated by commas or 1 per line for exact match. Enter your keyword with a square brackets around it. Okay. So exactly I want Bangalore related keywords only. So that's why I'll use a exact keyword. So example, I'm typing only Bangalore. Let's see if it is showing or not. See, in Bangalore, digital marketing courses in Bangalore, agency, company, jobs, everything is mixed up again. Okay. If you want, you can segregate like this only. Here we have a left-hand side. Categories now, train, best, India, services, train and all. You can take out this, go to that category, find it out at keywords. Pick out from that. Picking is easy. Researching is like important here. See, institute is there. I'll go to this institute. Even though we have an online, now click on this online category. In online, we have again like courses, free, best certification, Google is there. Okay. So go to this course. Here also we have certificate. Now I'll go to the certificate. See, subcategory, I'm going it here. You have to find the proper keywords. Now see, exclude the free. Okay, I have already told you, don't add the free things here when you're giving services. Digital marketing courses online free with certification, digital marketing courses online with the certificate. Okay, you can use this one. These are the like informal and transactional keywords, but this is a informal keyword. Online digital marketing courses with certification. 320 people are searching. Okay. So like this, we have to do keyword research. Now assignment. Okay. So take out this URL. Not only this, we have a corporate training as well. Take out this corporate training URL as well. And you can take the home page as well if you want it. Remember, like when you start doing the keyword planning, what are the things should be there? Like you have to do the complete research, you have to find out the keywords, you have to do the keyword research. Okay, and we have to know about the business. Okay, these things. Okay, so here the assessment is very simple. You have to do the keyword research for these 3 URLs. Okay, now so when it takes the first URL, so here we have to find out the keywords. What are the keywords you'll be finding out? Digital marketing keywords you'll be finding out. So here, see, location will be, I'll give the location also. Location is Bangalore, Chennai, Pune. Yeah, as of now, take it these locations. So keywords, you have to find it for digital marketing keywords. I need training related, I mean digital marketing training, and then institutes, services as well. Services as well. Okay, and intent. Intent. So take out informal also you take it, and then commercial you also take it. Okay, so prepare a list of keywords in the Excel sheet. Okay, so we can use keywords like digital marketing, training, institute, services, and all with the search volume. With the search volume. Okay, and then intent you can take informal, commercial as well, which is showing the proper volume. You can take it, and the locations. Example: digital marketing training in Bangalore, digital marketing training in Chennai, digital marketing training in Pune, digital marketing training institutes in Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, and then digital marketing services in Bangalore, Chennai, Pune. So like this, we have to segregate the variations of the keyword. Okay, with the search volume. Okay, and even though for corporate training also find out the keywords. Same these things. Locations will be the same. Keywords will be corporate training. Okay, employee training. So I can just type it in SEMrush tool, magic tool. You'll be getting like just type the corporate training keyword. You'll get a lot of variations. Okay, I need it for these locations only. Okay, and then homepage you can take it out digital marketing main keyword. Okay, that is services. Location is also the same, and then services you can take it out. Okay, I hope you understood this practical session, keyword research. Okay, so thank you for participating. Have a great day.
Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Arif. So today we'll see search engine optimization, SEO. What is SEO? So search engine optimization, SEO is nothing but a search engine optimization. So this is the process of improving a website's visibility and ranking on search engine results page. Nothing but SERPs, search engine results pages. To increase organic non-paid traffic, so the goal of SEO is to make an website more accessible, user-friendly, and relevant to user search query. Okay, so now let's see how the SERP shows organic results. Example, now I'm typing the keyword called best digital marketing training in Bangalore. If you see, the first listings are coming up the ads. Okay, when you scroll down, okay, now you can see here the organic results are showing up here without any ads. Okay, so this in a normal window. When I open the same thing in incognito window, now again if you see here again ads are this one ads are showing up here. When you scroll down here, the organic results are showing up, nothing but a SEO results. Okay, when you scroll down here, Google Maps also showing up here. Now here, if you're not seeing any ads here in the URL, okay, so this is the organic listings. Now if you see here, these are the organic listings. Okay, if you want to see per page, there are 10 results it will be showing up. If you want to see all the 100 results, so for that you can go to this quick settings and you can change the search settings. Scroll down. Okay, this is the incognito window. Let me show you here in the quick settings, search settings. So here you can see results per page is there. Okay, now it is showing 10. If you want, you can increase to 100 also. See why we are changing this to 100, because let's say example, you have submitted website to the Google. After submitting, you want to check out like with the keyword, where is your website position. Okay, instead of searching one by one, page by page, okay, it takes a lot of time. Okay, for that reason only I have changed the settings here to 100. And if you want, you can see the numbers as well by using the Google Chrome extension called SEO Quick. Okay, so by using this extension, okay, we can see here the organic results which is started showing the numbers also. See, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, if you want to find out your website, you can find out the website easily like this. Okay, like this, any competitor name you can add it and you can see. Okay, that's the thing. And here search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo use complex algorithms to rank websites based on various factors such as relevance, quality, and authority. Now, in SEO, which are the search engines we be using? We have a Google. This is a one search engine. Okay, and one more we have a Bing. Bing also a search engine. Now the same keyword I'm typing it. Okay, now copy it. Now come to this Bing, just paste it and start searching the keyword. Even though Yahoo also. Baidu again Chinese website, we can't access it. For that, like you should require a VPN and all, but not necessary as of now. Okay, and then DuckDuckGo. And then Andex. It's a Russian search engine. Now, second.
Now observe carefully in this all search engines. Okay, when you type the keyword and click on search, okay, so here the first some other website is coming up. The second, here the another websites are coming up. See, other websites. Even though in the Yahoo also other webs here depends, like sometimes okay it shows the same website or like results changes. Even the DuckDuckGo also different results will show up. Okay, so like this, we have to make sure our website should be submitted to Google in these all search engines. Okay, now here Google was launched by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Okay, so who are both are like PhD students at the Stanford University. At the time, they developed the search engine as a research project and officially incorporated Google as a company on September 14, 1998. Now, the preview you can see here. The left hand side, if you see this preview is showing up, no, here the ads, these are the paid results, okay, sponsored ads, which I've showed you. And here when you scroll down, here you can see the organic listings. Okay, now here also you can see these are the organic listings. When you type any keyword without any ads, okay, that results are like organic results. Three main pillars of SEO. What are the three main pillars? Okay, in SEO we have on page, technical SEO, off page SEO. Okay, in the on page, so this involves optimizing individual web pages, including content, meta tags, heading, images, URL structure, okay, to make them more relevant and accessible to both search engines and users. Okay, so if you want to start on page optimization, okay, for that what all things is required? So for individual web pages, including the content is required. After that, meta tags we need to add. Meta tags like title, description, okay, which you need to show to the Google, okay, title, description, canonical tags, robot tags, okay. So, and headings also is there. Headings also we need to add it in the website, okay. And images also. For images, we should add alt text and URL structure also. URL structure basically, when you open any website URL, okay. Example, I'll take out this one. Now, if you observe closely, the URL structure, if you see here, we have a page, okay. The page name they have written as URL, they have written as a keyword here. If you observe carefully, digital marketing course in Bangalore. See in the URL, we have added the keyword as well. Okay, like this. And when it comes to technical SEO, this focus on improving the technical aspects of the website. Most of the technical things will do it here. All the changes in the website, okay, such as site speed, we need to check it. Website speed will be there, right? So that website speed we need to check it with that tool itself, okay. And then mobile friendliness. Now whenever user opens the website in mobile devices, it should be mobile friendly, okay. And crawlability, make sure like robots can access your site and it maybe scan all the pages. And indexing also, indexing basically to submit to Google, okay. And security as well, HTTPS should be required for the website. If you don't have HTTPS connection, again like it will be problem for SEO. To ensure that search engines can effectively crawl, index and rank the website, okay. To get ranking, first of all what you have to do, the website should get crawled, okay, scanned I can say, and then index, it should be indexed to Google and then rank the website. This is the process, okay. And when it comes to off page SEO, this encompasses strategies aimed at building the website's authority and trustworthiness, okay. See basically any website if you take it, okay, if they if someone is not referring you, how others will trust you, okay. So for that reason only, in the off page what we'll do is we do backlink building for the website, okay. Any page also I can say, okay. If you take any page, we have to submit our website in a third-party website so that Google can crawl that third-party websites and can come to our site, okay. through external factors such as backlinks, social media presence, and online reputation management. Okay, when it comes to social media example, if you take it like Facebook, okay, now you have created a Facebook account. After that, you have posted something about your product or services, and you have given your website link also there. Okay, now user has followed your pages and all. Like when user clicks on that URL, it will come to your website. Okay, I mean, like he'll land into the website by using that particular link. Okay, like that. Who is referring there? Facebook is referring to your website, and then user is landing to your website, like that. List of SEO on-page activities. What are the list of SEO on-page activities? We'll do. We have to first select a domain name, and then keyword research, meta tags, title tag optimization, meta description optimization, heading tags H1 to H6, and then URL structure, content optimization, image optimization, internal linking, external linking, mobile friendliness, page speed, schema markup. Okay, these things are very important. So first we'll select a domain name. Okay, so how to choose a domain name? Okay, when you choose a domain name extension, make sure of one thing. Okay, so .com is still the best actually. Why? See, most of the website, if you see, like they'll be using different extensions like .in, .com, .edu, .org. Okay, like this, they'll be using different extensions. Okay, so how will you buy this domain name? Okay, for that we have to go to GoDaddy or like any other hosting provider sites, and we have to buy it from there. Okay, example, GoDaddy, we have it. When you go to the GoDaddy, directly you will land into this domain search. Okay, example, I am typing here AC service. Okay, see, AC service is already taken by someone. .com already taken by someone. Okay, AC service Pune.com is available. That is 139 per rupees. I can search something like uniqueness. Okay, I'm adding that keyword called Bangalore also. I'm like adding it. Okay, see, .in is available. .india, that is just 49 rupees. Okay, so if you want to go to this domain name such as, here we have to go to the products, and here we have a names, and you can search it for here. Okay. And if you want you can buy hosting also. For that, again, you have to go to this product section, and you have to go to the hosting category, and we have to purchase the hosting also. After purchasing the hosting only, then you have to install some like any platform like WordPress. Can use it to build a website, and you can launch your website. Okay. Now, if you want to buy a domain name, so you can directly contact to this GoDaddy people. They'll give you best support when you're buying any domain name. Okay, even though when you buy this hosting also, they'll make it your site ready, and you can install WordPress, and you can practice. Like you can add your website content there, and you can start putting live your website. Okay, and why .com is most familiar and easiest to remember. Okay, so while there are many successful websites with a .net, .org, your website will probably do better if it has a .com extension. It's like the safest bet. My advice is, go with .com. Okay, if that's taken, try .net or .org. If these are two taken, okay, you will be doing better off. Okay, brainstorming a new domain name search, and avoid these weird extensions like .club, .space, .visa, and so on. Okay, when you are buying any domain name, okay, let's example, you are in India. Okay, you can go and buy the .in extension also. There is no need to worry about that. You can give the services in India as well. Okay, and if you wanted to do international targeting, you can go for like .com. Okay, now here I have given a small example. Now they have a URL here. Okay, now HTTPS, we have a www.hostingar.com/tutorials is there. Okay, HTTPS, what is this HTTPS? It's a protocol, hypertext transfer protocol. Okay, so this is the website security. Okay, www is an world wide web. It's an like subdomain. Okay, And then hostinger.com, it's a domain name. Okay, you can see domain name, you can go purchase in like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, Big Rock. So we have different sites, you can go and buy it. And here we have a page path also. See, this is the path. Now here HTTP is a protocol, blog is an subdomain. Example, this is for a blog actually. You are doing like blog hosting. So this is an anatomy of URL. Example.com again a domain, and then TLD, nothing but a top level domain, that is a 4. If you see here in the .com, it is showing up. Again 5, it's an folder. Okay, I can say like, basically in our hosting we have a different holders. Okay, when you go to the hosting providers, there we have file manager. If you go there, we will be having lot of folders there. Okay, in that only our website is hosted. Okay, so like that, if you are doing for a blog, okay, subfolder will be there, and in that only you can start creating a website there, and you can start posting it. Okay, or your articles and all. So top extensions and how they are often be used, like .co is an abbreviation for a company, e-commerce and community, info, nothing but information sites, .net, technical internet infrastructure sites, .org, non-commercial organizations and non-profits, business or commercial use, like e-commerce sites and all, .me, blogs, resumes or person sites. Okay, this is the extensions of domain names. Now we'll see the keyword research. Okay, basically the second activity is a keyword research. Keyword research, identify relevant keywords and phrases related to your content that users are searching for. Target these keywords through your on-page elements. What are on-page elements? We have like title, description, and then H1 tag. In these elements, we have to add it. List of keyword researching tools. Already we have completed our keyword research topic. Okay, you are aware of all these topics like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs Keyword Planner, Explorer, Ubersuggest, Answer the Public, Keyword, whatever. So these are the tools we can use it for keyword research. Okay, and then here title tag. What is this title tag? So title tag optimization is nothing but create a unique descriptive and keyword rich title tags for each page. Okay, now we'll go and see what are title tags. Now I've typed the keyword here. Okay, when you scroll down, okay, now here the organic results are showing up now here. Let me take out this. Okay, now see this collegedunia.com is there. Okay, see first title is showing up here. This is the title. Okay, maybe like description they have it in the top. It is in the top, I think so. Yeah, this is a description. By the structured data we can create like this. Okay, you'll be wondering like how this came up. Okay, by using the structured data. Even though when you scroll down here, we have a reviews also coming up. This is also structured data that we can see in the upcoming slides. Okay, this is the title. First you observe the title here, 10 best digital marketing courses in Bangalore. Okay, this is the title. How to find out the title? Open this URL. Now if you want to find the title of your page, okay, when you move your cursor into the page tab, okay, so if you see here, the title text is showing up. Okay, if you want to see in the back end, okay, how the title has written it, Control U, or you can do right click here, view page source. Now here just do press Control F and type here title. Now observe carefully, it has written under the heading section only. Okay, we have HTML format. Under the heading section only, all the meta tags will come up. Okay, so now here we have a title. See, this title has written up here. Now, if you see here, title tag, write a unique title tag for each page, and it should not be copied from the competitors. Okay, now if you observe closely here in the search results page, okay, if you see, no one has copied the content here. Keyword is same, but in front after the I mean like keyword, okay, they'll be adding here with the placement or like with the jobs, something like this, they'll be adding it here. Okay, see here. top 10 best, okay, affordable, like this. We can use the keywords also, best keywords also you can use it. Okay, but keywords should be the same. Now see here, we have a different types of keywords. And even though when you're doing keyword research, okay, so here are the best keywords. This you can take it out and you can add it in your website also. These are the very important keywords. Okay, now don't repeat the same keyword more than 2 times in the title itself. Okay, you should not repeat the keyword. Now digital is there, digital marketing is there. Okay, you should not repeat the same keyword again and again. Now see this 10 best digital marketing courses in Bangalore. Some they have written it. Okay, and digital marketing, again, it should not be repeated in the same title itself. Make sure you're not repeating the same keyword. Okay, use sentence, case, or title case. Okay, and then create something click-worthy, including all main keywords in the title itself, but not exceed the limits. Okay, match search intent. Pixel length is recommended to 500 and maximum to 600. If more than 500, it will also not be shown fully in the search results. Now, if you observe carefully, here till here, the text is showing. After that, the text is not showing. Why? There is a reason. I'll tell you. Okay. So in the title tag, basically, it should be under 50 to 60 characters only. If you want, you can use the tools also. This tool called title tag checker. We can use a title tag checker also. Just go to the Google and search for title tag checkers. Any tool you can use it here. Okay, I'm not telling a specific tool to use it, just to check it. So you can use any tools, not a problem. Okay. See, this is for, like if you want to check it for your competitor's website, okay, you can use this tool. Example. Now see, I want to take out this title and I want to check it out here. I'll come to this tool. I'll just click on check. It will fetch and it will show you that tool. Now you can see the title tag written for this website. Now you can see they have written the title, this one. This is the title. Okay. Now see the same thing. When I move my cursor to the website tab, the same title tag is written here. And you want to check out like how much length they have written it. So for that, like I'm using the other tools as well. Okay. Now the text which is written here, best training institutes in Bangalore. Now I'll take out the same text. I'll check out how much pixels is there. Okay. See 519 pixels to 580 pixels. Okay. When you scroll down in the Google preview also you can see here. Okay, it is not breaking here. Okay, and this is for a desktop. And if you want to see it in mobile, see in the mobile also it is not disturbed. Okay, I mean like content is not breaking. Lot of tools are there. Okay, I'm not telling you to go for this tool only, go for this tool only. You can go for any of the tools. Okay, so here we have a list of tools. You can go and you can add your website content there. I mean like title content there, and you can see like how much length it is showing up here. Okay, and even though here you can see the length also it is showing 57. Okay, but here how much it is saying 50 to 60, in between that only text should be written. Okay, if you're crossing 60 also, again your content will break. Okay, that's the thing. Here the same likewise we have a description. Okay, so description basically yeah, I'll take out the same website. Now if you see here, we have a description written here, see, below the title. Okay, so here this is the description, and if you see this is the URL. Okay, in between it is showing that is a URL, and this is a description. Whatever you see here, this all the descriptions only. Okay, and if you want to see it for the website, how it is written, okay, you can go to any website and you can do Control U, Control F. So type description. Now see here the description. This is the description. It is under the heading section only. See, title written, after that description also written. Okay, like that. So here you'll be having doubt like how many characters should be there for a description as well. Okay, here we should be keeping 150 to 160 characters also. Okay, and see most of the cases, if you want to do check the characters, okay, of the text, you can use a tool like character count. You can write your title there, and you can see how many characters are there, how many words are written, how many sentence, paragraph, spaces. Okay, like that. So a meta description tag should be generally inform and interest users with a short relevant summary of what a particular page is about. They are like a pitch that conveys the user that the page is exactly what they are looking for. It doesn't directly affect SEO score, but will help in increase the number of clicks, CTR, click through rate. Okay, clicks divided by impressions equal to CTR. CTR will increase, okay, which is visible in the Google report tool. So for meta description, write a unit description for each page, match search intent, include your targeted keywords where it makes sense. Okay, keep it under 160 characters. Okay, now quickly we'll see the keywords which is written in the description as well. Now see, observe here, digital marketing training in Bangalore. Okay, that is a keyword. When you observe closely in that description as well, here also the keyword is written. Digital marketing course, same, the digital marketing course is repeated. Okay, and then training in Bangalore, you can add somewhere. If you're not adding, also fine. This is the main keyword. It should be repeated. Okay. Now here also, if you see best digital marketing courses in Bangalore is there. Here we have a top 10 best digital marketing training institutes. Okay, we have to add the keyword in the content like this in the description. Keep it under 160 characters. It should be, make sure it content should be 160 characters only. Okay, and along with that, like we'll see here heading tags. What are these heading tags? Heading tags, we have like H1 to H6. Okay, let me show you quickly heading tags in the websites. Okay, if you go to the website here, Control U, I'm typing Control F, H1 if you're typing it. Now see, this is the heading which is written in somewhere in the home page. Okay, see, there is a shortcut and we have a trick here to find out the H1 to H6 tags in the web page. Okay, for that I'm using a Google Chrome extension called heading tag markup. You can also search it in a Google. Okay, Google Chrome extension, go to the Chrome extension, search for heading tag markup settings. Okay, now observe carefully. When I activate this, automatically it starts showing me this text. It is H3 tag, and this is the H2 tag, HTML tags, guys. Okay, so here this is the H2 tag, H3 tag, H3 tag, H3 tag, H2 tag. Where is the H1? Okay, we have to add the H1 also. This is a new project, so that's why like we haven't started the SEO for this project. Okay, already which has done the SEO, that website also I'll be showing to you. Okay, so this is a H3 tag, H3 tags. See, most of the H3 tags are there. Okay, we have to change it accordingly. This is a shortcut, I can say. See, if you want, you can find out. 1 second. I'm deactivating again. If you want to find out the H1 tax, H2 tax and all, you have to go Control U and you have to type here H1 or like H2 tax and all. It takes some time. Okay. Time taking process. So for that, we can use the shortcuts here. Okay. And use header tags to structure your content and make it easier for both users and search engines. That is correct. Okay. If you're adding H1 tag, it will show you the summary of the page. Okay. Like H1 tag. H1 tag is very important. This is for like users and search engines to understand, include your target keywords in the headers, especially the H1 tag. Okay. So I told you like H1, in the H1 tag, we need to add the keyword. Description also we need to add the keyword. Even the H1 tag also we need to add the keyword. Okay. These three things are very, very important. Keep this in mind. Okay. H1 is the main heading of the page visible to the users, unlike meta title. Okay. So, and the most prominent tags showing what the page is about. H2 to H6 are optional tags to organize the content in a way that way easy way to navigate. Okay, that is optional. If you want, again, I can add it. But keywords should be added in the H1 tag only. That is one factor in our SEO. For search engines, it's easier to read and understand the well-organized content than to crawl through structural issues. Okay, for users, headings are like anchors in a wall of text, navigating them throughout the page and making it easier to digest. Giving each page a unique H1 tag reflecting the topic the page covers using your primary keywords in it. Okay. Use H2 to H6 tags where appropriate. Normally, there is no need to go further than H3. Okay. Till H3, you can add it. Okay. H4, H5, H6, not mandatory. Okay. But if you want, you can use it. Using secondary keywords relevant to the each paragraph. Okay, don't overuse the tags and the keywords in them. Keep it readable for users. Okay, so here also you should add the main keyword in the website. Okay, if you go to the digital marketing page, so I am checking again heading tag, activating again. See, each page you have to do SEO, guys. Okay, we have a title. For each page you have to create a title, description, and H1 tag. Now see, in this page we have a H1 tag. Okay, and H1 tag should not be repeated. Please keep this in mind. H1 tag should not be repeated again and again. Okay, it will give a negative score to the SEO. Content optimization. Content optimization produce high quality, engaging, and informative content that serves the needs of your audience. Incorporated targeted keywords naturally and maintain a user-friendly format with short paragraphs, bullet points, and images. Content optimization is the process of improving the quality, relevance, performance of your website's content. Okay, see, when you land into the website, okay, we have a different pages and all. Okay, we have about section like services pages. Under the services pages, we have a main pages and all. Okay, let's example, we have a shalitech.com. In that, like, we have a digital marketing page. We'll go to the digital marketing page and we'll see out all the content. Okay, content is very important. Okay, mainly you should keep in mind content is a king in SEO. Okay, you should not copy the content from competitors. This you keep in mind. Okay, if you copy the content from the competitors, what will happen? Google already scanned the competitor's website. Okay, Google has a screenshot of this website. Okay, and when you copy it from the competitors, again Google will find out like you have copied the content from so and so website. Okay, so that's the reason only we should not copy the content from the competitor's website. Okay, there are like 10%, 5% you can copy and you can rewrite the content. That is not a big matter. Okay, but all the content you should not copy it. And here like Content optimization is the process of improving the quality, relevance, and performance of your website content to the rank higher in search engine results pages, okay, and attract more organic traffic. It involves using targeted keywords and implementing SEO best practices while ensuring that the content provides value to the users, okay. Here are some essential steps for content optimization. So first thing is keyword research, that we already done it. Title tags, that is completed. Meta tags, that is also done. H1 heading tags, H1, H2, H3, and make sure you have to add the keywords in this title, meta, headings. And then content quality and relevance, keyword placements, internal and external linking also is there. That we'll see it in the next slides. Image optimization, formatting and readability, mobile friendliness, okay. That we'll see out of the tools also. Image optimization. Optimize images by using descriptive file names, adding alt text with relevant keywords, and compressing the files to reduce load times, okay. See, if you adding any images in the website, make sure it is optimized, okay.